All right, what's up, guys? We are live and we're going to cover today's launch of the Piston Token. Maybe you heard, but it is fully on and live, and there's so far no issues. So if you've entered the race, congratulations. If you're still on the sidelines, you can enter whenever you'd like. I'm here to help answer any questions you'd like. So what we'll do is I'm going to share this stream with my community. While I do that, feel free to listen in. We're listening right now to the Piston Token team on their actual Telegram group. To get to their Telegram group, guys, make sure you always go to the website. So this is the website. Scroll down, join Telegram group here. And this is the best way to do it. So we'll join here and we'll listen in.
So I don't know what you're gonna do.
Sorry, tell me, you deposited under someone and what happened?
That guy cannot see the leopard. Any
He cannot see you and his team.
Okay.
Is that what you're saying?
No, he can see my name. Everything is okay, but the leopard, the reward, cannot see that.
Oh, okay. So he can't see that he received a reward from your deposit. That's what you're saying, right?
No, he can see my address under him, but he cannot see the leopard reward.
That's what I'm saying. He can see you, but he cannot see the reward from your deposit.
Oh yeah, that's correct.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, that has been reported a couple of times already by people, and I've made a list of all the issues. So, but other people have also reported that they have seen the referral rewards.
Yeah.
So I think it's just a matter of time before before he sees them. But if in the next 12 to 24 hours this does not fix itself, right, the issue, then please send us a screenshot of the dashboard that has not received the rewards, plus a transaction hash of the downline member, which is you, showing your deposit.
All right, I will wait for 24 hours.
Yeah, just wait for 12 to 24 hours. It should fix itself, because for some people it's working, right? So if it's working for some people, it should work for everybody eventually. Yeah.
Okay. I will wait there. All right. Thanks so much.
Thank you for reporting that. Yes.
All right.
Bye bye.
Guys, sorry, I'm just getting set up here for my last live stream.
You can go ahead and speak.
We're listening in right now to the actual Telegram group of the Piston Token team. So far, pretty impressed by how they're answering these questions. It's awesome. Gustavo,
Hello, Ken, are you there?
The Piston launch is today. The race is today.
Ken? No, Ken?
Okay, can you hear me now?
I can hear you now, Ken.
Okay, thank you. I have a problem depositing the piston in the crew. I followed the instructions I saw here in Telegram. It says click start. I clicked start, yes. And when I try to deposit, it's charging me 0.37 BNB. And so
right.
I don't know, is that the gas fee?
No, so it's not. No, this has come up multiple times before. If you get that transaction fee, that means there's a problem. Do not proceed. Okay, so this problem has been reported a few times, and one solution we have found is, for example, if you're depositing 28.72 something tokens, just remove the decimal part, deposit a whole number.
Okay.
Try to do that has worked for everybody who has tried it. I've been following some other chats as well at the same time while I'm answering this, and that seems to work.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome, Ken. You're welcome. Vin Ray, I have just unmuted you.
Hi, thanks. the 0.38 B&B fee that everybody's seeing, has someone actually hit the button and seen what the total cost is? We know it's not 0.38. What does it end up being?
I don't
on this. If this
Sam.
transaction proceeds, you don't have to buy to pay this.
All right, let's talk. What's up, guys? Sorry, million things going on today. I have people showing up in my house saying we got to cut the limbs for the landlines and all this stuff. And crazy, man. Everything happens at one time. So here we are. This is the Piston website. I want to make sure I can see you guys. Thanks for joining the channel. This isn't a professional stream at all. So I apologize for all this, but I just wanted to come on here and be a resource to you guys, maybe help walk you through the website, how to get in the race. Obviously I've got my referral link in there. I plan on doing airdrops as well as for those that join me. I'm giving over $500 away. So hopefully I can build enough team and referral money so that I can give that away. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And in order to get in the race, guys, it's simple. You click here, race. This is my buddy address, drip farm team here. And you simply come down here, copy your PitCrew. If you're trying to build your own team, that's what you do. You just build your own team that way. And that was weird. Let me mute this real quick. And so that is what we're doing. Questions about what's going on. Nitro. Don't push nitro until like you're ready to compound. This is simply just the hydrate recompound button. So some of you were confused by that. The gas tank is basically the faucet. Okay. If you're familiar with drip, you've got the faucet. In Piston, you've got this. So far, you see my PitCrew is 0. I have 0 people. That's not true. They said today that's a UI issue. So this will be fixed soon. You can see here PitCrew boost levels. This is your BREEP, okay? In order to get rewarded for your downline, you need to have a couple levels here. I did level 4. That means someone under me invites someone under them, invites someone under them, it's never going to probably go that far, but that's what I bought. So let's see. I want to make sure I answer any questions you guys have. For those that did enter with my PitCrew address in the description, please let me know in Telegram so that you can just private message me. That way we can or I guess with the PitCrew, we don't, let me see. With my PitCrew, I think it shows me. View my PitCrew. Yeah. It'll show me if you've joined my team. So let's do this. I want to walk you through the website here. This right here is, how did I get here? Let's go back. So you click on race. This is where you deposit however much you want to deposit. My dog is throwing up, I think. Do you guys hear that? Tex, you okay? Oh, poor guy. So see what I mean? Everything is happening at once right now. It's crazy. So this is how you enter the race. You click deposit. Then you're going to ask to put a buddy address. You paste your best friend's buddy address, whoever, but he has to be in the race. I'm in the race. You can use mine. You don't have to. Then you click how much you want to put in. I put 100 so far. Just want to make sure everything's good, right? So once you lock in that money, my understanding is it's gone, but they do give you this 6-day, 7-day out where you can exit the race. If you exit the race, it's basically you'll get your capital back equal to your in Piston token, equal to the value that you deposited minus the, I think, 10% tax. So are you going to exit the race? Probably not, but at least they put that in there for your mental stability so you don't freak out. Because, you know, in drip, you put money in drip, bam, it's gone. It's locked away. So this 35,000 value that I have here, it's gone. I ain't getting that back. Only way I get it back is through this. So you can see I've got 5.861 drip. I'm letting that build up. I've been hydrating all week. I just hit the over 1,000 drip mark because I've been hydrating, because I don't want to claim when drip price is this low. So this is Piston, guys. The price is currently sitting at 14. I mean, this is so predictable. The launch and then the sell-off. So you got from 17 to 14. That's not bad. If you zoom out, look at this. This is the most stable launch I've seen in DeFi. You don't have any massive dump. And remember, guys, the pre-sale was sold at $3 down here. So if you got into pre-sale, congrats. You're 5x your money. All right. So that's pretty good. So yeah, we have not seen a massive dump. And here you have a little recovery. Who knows if we'll get another sell-off. But, you know, if you're in for the long game, then it's fine. You just collect, you keep compounding your Piston token. You've got these, you got drip here, which just kind of hanging out. It kind of touched off this $30 level yesterday and kind of bounced back up, but hasn't done much today. Anything around $30, I'm not interested in selling drip. So I just would rather recompound. That's what I'm doing because, you know, why sell at such a crappy level? My diamond team is going amazing, which is the same team, guys, that made this. Isn't this website amazing? I know the developer of this website, and congrats to you, man, because this is just, it looks beautiful. So right now, if I click Nitro, I would be claiming 0.1 Piston, which is 1.42 BUSD. So I'm not doing that because the gas fees are going to be around, or are going to be less than $1. So I'll wait a day, then I'm going to recompound. You can see I've got 261 Piston in the gas tank, and I'm just going to let them ride, and I'm probably going to add to it. I'm just watching price action, you know, with what happened with Splasive. You know, it made everybody nervous yesterday, which I made a video about, so you guys can go watch that video, kind of my response as to what happened, and I addressed Bitcoin Brown and the audit team. So yeah, let's look at the chat. What are you guys saying? Let's read your comments. This project will blow up. Now that could mean one of two things. Yes, blow up in a bad way. Okay, so we got a lot of prophets in the chat telling us what's going to happen. I love it. Am I on drugs or did I see piggy bank? Yeah, I know. I need to change this whole. Again, this was the worst live stream I'll ever do. I just wanted to hurry up because everybody was DMing me, so I said I'll go live, answer questions. I don't care about the piggy bank, just drip. I said it was piggy bank. Is it a good moment to buy now? Discord. How does the price compare to the pre-sale? Pre-sale was $309. Yes, exactly, $309, and it's sitting at $14. How can you complain about that? He claimed 154 Piston. I missed the pre-sale because of MetaMask. I only had 36 Piston. Yeah, pre-sale was around. How much is Piston worth? Jet Li, 1,000. You were about to show us PitCrew. Yeah, okay, so this is the PitCrew right here. If you want to view your PitCrew, so this is my PitCrew as of now. It says 0 direct, 0 extended, but that's false. I mean, I've got 157 boosted received, right? So, but if you go down here, you've got the map of all the people that have signed up. So this is my team so far. If you zoom in, there's a couple people right here who've already built their team. So yeah, I guess all these people, you might be saying, wow, that's crazy. Look at this. He's got a huge team. Yeah, but it's 157 Pistons. So if I calculate that, 157 piston that aren't even mine. It goes right into the faucet. So 157 times, let's say $14 right now. So 2,198, you know, going to do giveaways, at least that. So $1,700 at the price value. But remember, that $1,700, I'm only going to get 1% per day. So times 1% equals, so I made $17 so far from my team perspective, right? And I plan on doing competitions throughout the year as we work on building up this team and to drip and guys, it's not drip versus Piston Token. Like I'm doing airdrops competitions in a bunch of different things. Animal farm, piston, drip, elephant, all that. Which guys, I mean, I'm eyeing elephant actually right now because look at elephant today. It down 17%. So we got a massive sell off right here. It's starting to curl here, which I'm kind of disappointed in. I wanted it to hit these levels right here. 36. I was hoping it would get there because I want to dump the rest of my BNB. I've got 18 BNB. I would like to put that probably back in elephant. But the thing with elephant, guys, remember, is you've got 10% tax on deposit, 10% withdrawal. So if I put it in right here, it better go up 20% or I've lost money. To break even, you've got to have elephant go up 20%. So it's a long play for me. And the Bitcoin conference in Miami, bank teller's there, and he's like, hey guys, I'd be buying right now. I'm about to talk to a lot of very important people about our project. So who knows? All right, let's go back to questions. Guys, when you clicked on this video, did it still show the piggy bank launch JPEG, or did it show my other piston JPEG, piston token? Alex, thank you for joining the team. JT, there's no way your pre-sale was 260. Everyone's pre-sale was the same price. I think it was 309. Yeti DeFi, I'm gonna ban you because you're a troll in the comments section. So I would rather you not be here. So hopefully you've learned from your ways because you're very immature, and I wish you all the best. But we're gonna get rid of you. Let's see. Piston. So yeah, you guys saw the new thumbnail? Awesome. Okay. So let's listen in. Someone said in my chat, where do you put the buddy address? Well, you scroll up here, you click race, and you click deposit. Because I've already used a buddy address, you would place mine right here. When you deposit, make sure it's whole numbers, okay? So when you do this, make sure it's whole numbers, not 0.35. It won't work, okay? So that was one thing that was bugging people earlier today. Jason for life, I joined your team. How much you guys put in? Thank you. A lot of you guys are saying you're in the race, but I wonder how much. Like, are you buying like 1 or 2 piston token? It was black blank. This have better tokenomics than drip. Bullish. Guys, the team is amazing. I mean, they're doing live AMAs. Listen to the way they talk to people. It's super polite, even though some of the questions are like they repeat. It's great. I'm excited. This is I mean, it looks like a legit project. And you're like, what about rug pulling? There's no rug pulling, guys. These people would have rug pulled back in my diamond team. They didn't. So very confident. There ain't no rug pulling going on. I know the guy who developed the website, okay? That guy ain't rug pulling nothing. He wouldn't even work for them if he thought it was a rug pull. So no. This is great to see the price recover back to $14.32. Love that. This right here is not a concern to me. From 17 to 14, are you kidding me? No big deal. Because you're going to have these sell-offs. People buy the token to sell. It is what it is. They're allowed to do that. I mean, I haven't put all my piston token in the race. Some of it I have put in my level 4. Some of it I have right in the race. I just don't know. I'm still on the fence as to how much I want to put in. I'm probably going to add to it daily just so that I have like a week of data to know, okay, this project is strong. It's going to work out great. It's like PTSD from when I just went all in on Time Wonderland and lost my shorts. So, Bertrand, I just joined your team with 376 Piston. Thanks, man. So let's see. Bertrand Michaels, I wish Bertrand could post a screenshot because sometimes people say stuff, guys, and I'm not saying Bertrand is lying. He's probably not. But look at, so this man right here took 376 of his Piston, which are valued at $14 right now. So he put in 5,264. That means he's going to make 1% per day times 1%. He's making $52 per day. If he does that for 30 days times 30, bam, look at that. That's crazy. $1,579. That's like a car payment and a lot of Chipotle. So that's awesome. Good for him. Bertrand, I know you can't post in YouTube the photo. You can Telegram. Show me in Telegram. Send me a screenshot that I'm your buddy in Telegram. My Telegram link should be in this video. This crappy little live stream, which it isn't, because let me add. No, yeah, it is. The Drip Farm Telegram group is in this. I don't even know if the link works. Yeah, no, like I'm the worst YouTube live streamer. So let me edit this, guys. Let me edit my video. The Drip Farm Telegram. We're gonna get that. So I'll put it in the chat. All right, where do we? Sorry guys, to keep you waiting like this. Talk about newbie. I don't even know. If someone has our Telegram link, post it in the video here. I just posted on Discord. Awesome. Solid team. I put 130, put 24. Wow, that's awesome, guys. How are you guys feeling? Like, any of you guys lose money in the whole Splassive debacle? I wasn't in Splassive. I've never talked about it on this channel, but I feel bad for those that were. In case you're not aware, this is Splassive here, and they just had a massive exploit, which sucks. Their chart just dropped, and then I think they pulled the rest of liquidity, because if I click buy, yeah, you see the price of Splassive is 0.0002, which means they've taken all the money, and I think they've taken it so that they can relaunch a version 2. That's what Bitcoin Brown told us in our Telegram group today. Yeah, crazy times in DeFi. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. It sucks because this had a massive effect on this. So when one project rugs or has exploits, it makes people get really, really nervous. I lost a few hundred in Splassive. I took profit in Splassive, and the dev hit me up. Never missed in Splassive. Yeah. Best investment is Titano. I got a little bag of Titano, just very little. I mean, that price has been tanking, so maybe now, if you believe in Titano, it'd be a good time to buy. Yeah. Let's see here what the Piston team is saying, and then I'll come back.
Tokens in the race. Means that the race is the biggest holder of Piston, and this also means that we have here kind of a virtual burn, because the tokens are locked into the Piston race, and this will also create new buy pressure, and it's good for the price.
Thank you. Yeah, that's a great update. Thank you so much. Guys, did you hear that? $3 million of tokens are already locked in the race. Okay. And how long has it been? It's been less than 3 hours. Imagine how much will be the total locked value, the TVL or the TLV, is it? Total value locked, whatever, after 24 hours, right? In fact, in the admin chat, we had a little bet between the admins to guess the total locked value after 24 hours. And we wrote down our values. This was a month ago, or like, I don't know, 3 weeks ago. And we made a bet, and then we'll see whoever is closest to the, whoever is the furthest from
That's crazy.
the actual value is going to pay for everybody's for dinner or something. But I don't know how that's going to work because we're like in multiple continents here, 4 different or 3 different continents. But we'll figure it out. So it's already $3 million. $3 million in 3 hours, less than 3 hours, guys. So I had guessed $5.4 million after 24 hours. I think we'll probably surpass that. So I don't think I'm going to lose that bet. I think Tony's going to lose it. I think so. He's going to have to pay for everybody. All right, let's see. McManel, is that how you say your name? I have just unmuted you. You have to unmute yourself.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
I can hear you now, yes.
Oh, great, good. Yeah, you guys are doing a very good job here. It's so awesome. It's a good time to be alive.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I made a deposit, and then I was then referred to the site in the area where you have the race, and then there's a place that says view my PitCrew, and when I click on it, I was expected to see the details of what I deposited, like the levels and so on, but I noticed the numbers here are not showing. And then I edited the username, and when I disconnected my wallet, I connected it back. I noticed the username is gone, it's not showing again. So am I supposed to be doing that each time I entered? That's my question 1. Then question number 2, my diamond team, how does it assist, how does it help the system in general, the Piston system in general? And besides, what is the expected return on investment if you're putting in money in my diamond team? And then thirdly, somebody asked a question in the group, in the general group, which is actually what we have. Permit me to mention DRIP, what is actually going on in DRIP. Now, when you deposit in DRIP, it's expected that your deposited capital is low. Now, this is supposed to help to boost the price of DRIP as it is designed. Now, in this case of Piston, you are allowed to take out your capital whenever you choose to, though with a penalty of the 10% taking it out and so on. So what are the plans do we have on ground? What are the plans we have on ground for the boosting of the Piston price to sustain the Piston price? Thank you. I think that's all I have to say.
All right, this is a good question.
You're welcome.
It's a good question. Check this out.
Okay, great.
Okay, so first of all, you asked about the your dashboard. You said you can't see some of the values. As other people have reported that as well. So but then someone called back and they said that they were not able to see it earlier, but then later they were able to see it. So it's just a UI issue that has been reported multiple times. Also, one person said that they logged out of the system, disconnected their wallet. Did a hard refresh on the wallet by, clearing the cache and the cookies and everything, and then reconnecting, and they were able to see all the information, their downline, their upline, and the boosts received. So try that, please, and see if that works, right? Or if it doesn't work, just wait for up to 24 hours. Because, as I was explaining first, this, the user interface is being, developed and designed by a team in Canada, and then it has to roll out to the whole world, right? And in multiple countries. And, there are thousands of people trying to make deposits. So, for some people, it's going to refresh a bit later, right? Because they did not expect this many people to be trying to deposit at the same time. So please just be patient, wait for 12 to 24 hours. It should resolve by itself. Or like I said right now, just to disconnect your wallet, disconnect everything, refresh your wallet, refresh your web page, close everything, reopen everything, reconnect, and hopefully that should fix it. If it still doesn't, just wait. And if after 24 hours you're still not seeing what you should be seeing on the dashboard, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Okay, that's number one. Number two, you asked about MDT and Piston. So the projects themselves, there's no connection between them other than the fact that they have the same developers. No taxes from Piston will be going to MDT. No taxes from MDT will be going to Piston. They have separate liquidity pools. Piston, of course, is all BNB, as you know, right? MDT is all BNB. Piston, of course, is Piston Token and is paired with BUSD, right? So there's no intermingling at all, right? It's separate, completely separate projects. You don't have to be in one to be in the other. You don't have to be in both, right? You can be in both, and that's great. You can be in only in one or the other. It's up to you. But as I was saying earlier, Anthony Team Diamond Hands, he has a great video on YouTube where he shows you how you can integrate the two projects, for yourself, right? So you can take some money, some profit from MDT, put it into Piston, then take some profit from Piston, put it back into MDT. So you're multiplying your money, every month. So if you would like to watch his video, you can. Of course, you don't have to do that. That's up to you. But I also said that if you're not an MDT, for those of you who are not in there, it's a great project, and you're missing out if you don't get into it. You also asked about the return from MDT. So MDT right now, can give you pretty much unlimited return, right? Of course, it gives you 365% of your deposits, but there's no BNB, max BNB, right, on a cap on that. So to make the system more sustainable, we had an AMA a week ago where we announced that we're going to change it to the same model as Piston. So you can compound maximum to 5x of your deposits, the real deposits you make into the system, right? You can compound to 5x of them, right? So if you deposit one BNB, for example, by the way, this has not been implemented yet. It will be implemented in the next, 1 week to 10 days. So if you deposit one BNB after they implement it, if you deposit one BNB, you can compound it to 5 BNB, and then you can take out 365% of that, which means you can take out 18.25 BNB. So every BNB you put in there can give you 18.25 BNB. It sounds a bit little, right? It's not much, but I'm happy with that. I'm just kidding. That's a lot, man. I mean, nobody can ask for more than that, right? It makes it more sustainable, right? Everybody wins, and that's great. Every BNB you put in there, you can take out 18.25. But you can also make more deposits as you go along the way, right? Small deposits, and then you can increase your 5x. You can also do that by claiming instead of compounding a couple of days a week or 1 day a week. You can claim your rewards and then redeposit them. That's going to extend your 5x as well. And then you can increase how much money you can take out of it. So it makes it more sustainable because you're paying, extra tax every time you claim and redeposit. So that was the question. And then was there a third question? Let me see. Let me find you. I forgot. I didn't write them down. Did you have a third question, brother? I have just unmuted you. McManel, do you have a third question?
Yeah. The third question was about the capital.
Guys, write your questions down in the chat, and I'll address them after this.
Is locked. And then
yes,
you get that
the exiting the
deposit.
race. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let me explain that. Yeah, we had a question about that before.
Right here,
I've already explained it, but I don't mind explaining it again. I love to explain things.
I love to explain things. This is a healthy community. So, oh my gosh.
Now, yes, you can exit the race in the first 7 days of your deposit, not after 7 days. Okay, so if you deposit on the 20th of April, you can exit until the 27th of April. Okay, for example. So only in the first 7 days, and you will never, ever get out what you deposit, okay? You will always get out less than that. If, for example, you deposit $100 worth of Piston in there, right? If the price of Piston has gone down you can take back all your tokens, okay? Or if the price of Piston has stayed the same, you can take back all your tokens. But if the price of Piston has gone up, you can only take out $100 worth of Piston. So you will take out fewer Piston than you put in, okay? So it's not, no one can benefit from that, right? Also, you will not take out any of the compounded rewards. Those will not be given to you. Third thing, you will pay 10% tax for exiting the system as well. And then, of course, you're going to pay 10% tax when you sell those, claimed tokens, right? So you're never going to get back what you put in. You'll always get back less, right? So no one can abuse that system to, get in and then make money from it by compounding, right? And then exit and take out more than they put in. It's impossible. It's impossible. In most cases, you will get out a lot less tokens actually, because you'll be paying taxes. Of course, everybody will pay tax. But also, if the price of Piston, for example, doubles in those 7 days, now that's unlikely, right? But if it does double in 7 days, what happens? You can only take out half your tokens, right? Because you're only allowed to take out the same dollar value. Of course, if you're lucky and the price of Piston has gone down in the 7 days, you can take out all of your tokens. So no one can abuse that system, right? It's not going to create this opportunity where people can be like, oh, let me get in and make money and then get out again in the first 7 days and take back all my capital. You can't do it. You can't do it. Okay. So McManel, does that answer your question? I have unmuted you again. McManel, I have
What it means
unmuted
is that, okay, I'm here. Now, what it means is that after the 7 days, this token cannot be taken out again. Am I correct?
That's
All right, let's leave the chat for now. Let's go to your questions. What's up, everybody? My name's Jonathan. This is the Drip Farm channel. My primary investments are in Drip Community, as you see right here. Boom shakalaka. I've been hydrating all week, guys, because the price of Drip sucks. So when the price of Drip sucks, that's what you do. You hydrate. I've got over 1,000. I hit that mark just today. Thank you so much. I'm about to claim some of these because I got to give away some prizes for last week. Anybody that uses my link to claim 5 stocks, link in the description, you get 5 stocks free with Webull. We got winners to give away. So you go to my little YouTube channel, you click on channel, you click on, oh, look, he's live right now. That's great. Splassa video. Did you guys watch that? 5,000 views in 16 hours. I just got back from the hospital and I made that video my response. You've got Drip. Look at that. Look at the thumbnail. McConnell-Dilts. Because I didn't want to get sued by McDonald's. So let's click on a random video. Here's what you do. Click on this video, and then you always look at there's always goodies in the description. Okay? You want a hardware wallet? Bam. I just got mine. It literally just came in the mail today. So we're going to open this up together. If you want to join, let me know. All you do is you say, Jonathan, I bought a Nano Ledger X using your link, and then you enter into a contest to win some drip. If you want to join my drip team, great. Animal Farm, don't join Animal Farm or Piggy Bank yet because it's not live. Hopefully it becomes live next week. We have an AMA from Forex. I'm sure he's going to turn the marketing spend on like crazy because he wants everybody to know we are about to go live. I have a full, this is why I'm hydrating. I have a feeling Drip and Animal Farm are going to run next week when it goes live again. Just my hunch. Then if you want 5 free stocks, because you guys know I made a bulk of my money in the stock market, investing. If you want to get started, you don't know anything about stocks, get into Webull. And the best way to get into Webull is to click this link because you get 5 free stocks if you make a deposit of $1. Okay, you connect your bank account, deposit $1, you're going to get 5 free stocks. So, and then you message Jonathan in Telegram, be like, hey bro, I joined, send me a screenshot, and you enter into a contest to win. I got my Discord. And the competition I got going on, I got all these competitions ongoing, but is right now I want to give away $500. And if you join my team, so there's that plus airdrops. So all my team addresses is my wallet address. So you just copy and paste that, and you go over here to because as YouTubers, that's what we do. We use referral links, and that becomes like an income stream for us. And yeah, but I don't shill crap here. I never did a video on this, never covered this. So far, everything I've covered has been great. All right. I'm in my diamond team. You guys, my referral link is there. I've done great with this project, okay? It's paying out 1.5% BNB every day. This same team that did this also created this Piston Token. So yeah, they're not rugging. Okay, this is not a rug pull team. Now, can there be problems with their code? Yeah, which is why I still have a lot of my Piston Token sitting on the sideline right now. Just not a like. I'm getting more and more confident as I listen to their AMAs. So probably put that money in the race. So you start here by going. If you want to get into Piston Token, what do? You got to have BUSD in your wallet. Then you come here, you put in how much BUSD you want. It'll transfer it right on the site, tax-free. You will not pay 10% tax if you swap it right here. Then this will swap BUSD to Piston, and this will land in your wallet. Now you're not in the race yet. So what do? You got to come over here to the race, and then you click right here, deposit. Then you deposit how much money you want to put in the Piston race. So you can see right here, I've got 896 pistons sitting on the sideline because the moment I put this in the gas tank, it means it's in there. It's gone. The only way I get it back is 1% daily. Now there is an exit the race, but this is really a stupid feature because why would you do this? You're killing yourself. You're going to lose money exiting this race. Okay. You're not going to break even because of taxes and all this. You're not going to make money either. So even if you are up for the first 5 days and you're like, I'm going to play this the first 5 days and then I'm going to exit. No, you'll lose all your rewards. So this feature is kind of like, it's more to help people that are freaking out. Like if I put 5,000 in and then my car breaks down on Tuesday, cool. At least you have a feature for that. You can come here, change your name. I changed mine to Drip Farm Team. Right here, you see my PitCrew. They said this is a UI problem. Clearly, this isn't working. It will work soon. All right. Now, if you want to join the race, yeah, like I said, you go deposit here. Now, what I'm doing is if you deposit over $2,000 into this race using my buddy link, you will get access to my premium Discord. But I'm only giving that to the first 10 people that message me on Telegram and say, hey, screenshot, used you as a buddy address, put in $2,000 worth of Piston. So that's for the high rollers. If you want to join our premium Discord, I've got 10 spots free. You've got to hurry up and do that. So I have not checked my Telegram instant messages yet. So the first 10, wonderful. You get that. Now, this right here is like the faucet. It says my gas tank. My gas tank is the race, okay? So we click race. The goal right here is to 5x your money. So whatever amount you put in here, right now I've got 4,600 BUSD value in here. I can 5x that over time if I click Nitro. Nitro means compound, guys. So I can every day come here, and that's probably what I'll do. 5 days, Nitro, 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 and then weekends, claim, claim. All right, so that I build my bag. Because why? Why do I think this one will be around for a while? Look at it. It's freaking gorgeous. The UI is awesome. The team seems to be great. They're not disappearing. They're doing live AMAs. Their Telegram group is great. All right. Their tokenomics seem to be working. There's no rug pull. The launch, look, I've never seen anything so stable in my life in DeFi. You've got right here, the lowest was about $12, 11.67 to 17. It's just hanging out in this range. That's crazy. How come it hasn't gone back to $3, the pre-sale price? Why isn't it why did we just get a $5,000 buy order? Is confidence starting to build up in this project, guys? I don't know. Again, do your own research. Risk capital only. Do not ape into any project, no matter what YouTubers tell you. Okay? This is your own hard work money. But if you do want to get in, you got to begin with swap, and then you come here, deposit. You're going to need a buddy address. Mine's in the link in the description. I'm unapologetic about offering you my buddy address because it's access for you to start building your own team, to have access to, if and when I do an airdrop, you could win that. It's a round robin system similar to Drip. So just being on a big team will help you. But invest as you wish. So that's what Nitro means. You can see here, let's look at what NDV means. This is the result of following equation is positive. So meaning if you come here and just click claim, 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 your NDV value will go down. Okay, so you don't want to do that. You have to mix in compounding. And I like that it shows you this bar here. This 5x meter is cool. It shows, Jonathan, you are nowhere near 5xing your money because I just started today, right? Here's where you claim. So right now I have $2.4 worth of BUSD already that I've made. That's cool. That's like a cup of coffee from Starbucks for doing nothing. I can claim that by clicking here. Do you wish to proceed with your claim? This is what I'll get. I'll get 1.53 Piston. And then there's a 10% tax every time you claim. So I don't want to claim that. Come on, I'm going to recompound. I don't even want to recompound because the value is so less, it's not worth it. So this is where you'll find your referral code. You guys should build your team. Instead of leaving nasty comments like, bro, that guy makes money off referrals. I know, you can too. Tell your friends about this. This is how DeFi community grows, is we tell one another, and they incentivize us to tell one another by giving us a referral code. So this is mine. It's in the link in the description. And it's awesome because you can view your PitCrew. And here you see, this is a UI issue. They're going to fix it. I don't know how many members I have right now, but you get boosted every time you get a 5% boost on the deposits of your downline. So this is my team right here. All these people. I don't know how many it is, but look at this guy. Look at JMac. Thank you, man. So JMac is, and Tommy, and they all have entered into winning the prizes of up to $500 plus airdrops, all of that. All right, let's go to your questions. There's probably some in the chat. I'm happy to answer them. Let's do this right now. All right. So volume is a bit bro. Yeah, $3 million is not the biggest TVL in the world. But again, as this protocol gets strength and marketing, people will talk and it will grow. No, it's a perfect time to hop on the boat. Yeah, you're getting in early. You guys talk about some of the OGs in Drip. They got in super, super early. Today would be considered early. Today is day one. Thanks, gonna board momentarily. Awesome. Has the Piston team been doxxed? Well, one of them I've talked with multiple times on video chat, seen his face, knows where he lives, talking about going out and meeting up with him on possible future project. But yeah, I'm not involved in this dev team at all. Never got paid by Piston Token to do any reviews. I saw what they were doing with this website and the theme, and I was like, this is very good. This is a good ROI platform, in my opinion. And right now, we've seen a successful launch, guys, which is so refreshing. What is the April 7th airdrop? Yeah, so this April 7th V2 is like it's like a bonus token or something for those that build a team. That's my understanding. I think that's a good question for the dev team. I've asked the dev team, give me a member to let me do an AMA on this channel. Guys, please like this video right now to get it out in the world. If you want Piston Token to grow today, we need people to know about Piston. It's just the way DeFi projects grow, through marketing, and YouTubers help with that. So like the video if you believe in Piston. Will he ever have a DAO so we can get guaranteed whitelist? I don't know. These are, guys, it's day one. They just launched this. I will give you the alpha, though. I do know they're working on a lot of side projects that are going to support Piston Token that they have not talked about. And one of the guys that I talked with, I can't say if he showed me anything or not. But yeah. So again, this is day one. Day one, guys. You're early. Just added 18 Piston to the race. Cool. I joined your private Discord this week. Awesome. On last video, you say anyone join your Piston team, you give me access to your VIP Discord channel. I have 6K Piston. Okay. So Hamoon, you need to message me. If you used me as a referral and you deposited over 2,000, I'm giving away 10 spots free to the first 10 people to join my premium Discord. Okay. So there you go. Has Piston stated that they fixed the exploit splash? Yeah, they didn't have the same exploit, Jeff. They wouldn't have launched today had they thought that it was the same exploit. This is a different code than what Splash have had in a totally different team. How do you join my pit crew? Thank you for asking. My link is in the description. All you do is you come here to race. You click buy Piston if you haven't already done so, or you click deposit. And then right here, you'll have an opportunity to paste my buddy address there, and then you'll be on my team. So if you didn't get in pre-sale, can I buy Piston Token now to join? Yeah, you can buy Piston now, but you're going to pay this amount. You're going to pay $14.81 per Piston, whereas those of us that got in pre-sale only paid about $3.09. Okay, so we've already 5x'd our money, and it's only the beginning. All right, there's a 2,321 buy order. These are all green orders. This is very, very steady, nice growth. Risk capital only. I cannot recommend a project to you. I am not recommending this to you. I'm sharing what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm not shilling you anything. I just put my money in this because I wanted to be in drip in the early days, and I missed that opportunity. And so, you know, here we go. A drip clone, 2022. Will it work? Who knows? I looked at the dev team. I talked with one of them. I talked with the guy that created this website. I got a bunch of confidence in my little soul, and I went in. Okay, but you don't have to get in. Don't do it, guys. Just sit on the sideline. Put your money in the checking accounts. Far safer. Reload your website. They fixed the UI bug. Did they really? Okay, here we go. Look at that. I've got 71 people that joined my pit crew. Thanks for telling me that. That's amazing. So 71 people on my team. That's cool. So they all have opportunity now to win $500. That's crazy. 1 in 71 chance. And I don't know whether I'm going to do one gift of 500 or spread it out multiple times. I don't know yet. What should I do? Do you guys want one lump sum gift of $500 to one of my team members, or should I spread it out? But that's awesome. Plus some airdrops coming up. I mean, the airdrop won't be this week because I got to give $500 away. That's a lot of money for me. This is not a big team, guys. There's some YouTubers that are going to have hundreds of people. So that's awesome. How do we join? Okay, so if you get in the pre-sale, can I buy? Yes, reload your website. Thank you. Yes, you can. I'm using a phone and I don't know how to join the crew. Yeah, I don't know what it's like on the phone user interface. Again, you don't have to rush to join the team. The Piston race ain't going anywhere. So when you get home, come back to this video and deposit on a desktop. It's far easier. Brian, thank you for being a subscriber to this channel. Yes, divide it into 2. Spread the love. Yep, I am spreading the love. You guys saw this right here. I'll pull it up. This is my contest this week, April 3rd through 10th. If you join my buddy link, you get a chance at $500 in prizes, plus airdrops, plus free premium Discord membership for the first 10 with a deposit over 2,000 in Piston tokens. This is the best team right here. And that's my buddy address. That's me right there, guys. That's me sitting really pretty. I have like 5 pictures of myself that I use, if you haven't noticed, in my YouTube channel. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Don't do this for me or anyone else. Do your own research. Only use my buddy address if you're comfortable with me receiving a small affiliate kickback. Exactly. Don't expect anything in return, guys. You're doing this because you're like, hey, thanks for doing content. You're the only one doing a YouTube video right now. I want you as my buddy. Awesome. I appreciate it. But I'm also going to give away some money. Let's do this. Okay, let's go back to questions. Do you guys understand this protocol? You're making 1% per day. Piston token contract. Piston race audit report. Look at this. Solidity Finance. It's a good name. Audit findings. Resolved. Partially resolved. The claim tax variable and calculated claim tax functions are never used. We recommend removing these to save on deployment costs if they're not. The team has removed the calculate claim tax. Okay, good. I wish they dated these. Date April 1st. Okay, there you go. Solidity Finance. They've done the audit. Better than the Splassive audit. Splassive spent $8,000 on their audit. What did that get them? A bunch of turmoil. Okay. Here's this. Whoever this audit team is. Oh my gosh. Rug-free coins. No, this just looks like crap. Okay. Solidity is, in my opinion, better. That's Piston's audit team. Let's look at the Piston white paper. This is done really, really well. I love this. So easy to understand. The basics. So all development teams use Pistons as a template, because this is beautiful. When a user deposits Piston to add fuel to their gas tank, they will receive 1% daily returns up to 365% of that amount in the tank. And guys, you can get far more than that if you compound. Okay? This is what they're talking about. The gas tank, this is the race. Whatever you deposit, this initial capital is locked, and you get paid out 1% per day. So I'll get 1% of 326 piston. Does that make sense? So whatever that is, it's 0.3 piston, and then I'll look at what the value's worth. That's what I get paid out per day. The amount of calculation includes new tokens deposited as well as tokens compounded using the Nitro button. How is this a race? Well, where the goal of real-world race car drivers is to be fastest around the track, the goal of piston users is to accelerate their earnings by doing the following. 1, make a deposit, new deposits into piston, of course. Adding fuel using the Nitro button to compound. Yeah, adding fuel, I like that. Meaning, if you put $1,000 in, you make 1%, that's $10 in one day. If you click claim, great. You can take your $10 and go to Chipotle. Or you can put that back in the race, and then you're making 1% not on $1,000, but off of $1,010. See how this starts to daily compound over and over and over again? Think like a long-term investor. The power of compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. And a lot of people don't do it because they just want to make a quick buck. These are not coins that are moon coins, like the Will Smith Shiba Inu type thing. These are long-term. Look at Drip. If Drip's been running for over a year. Don't you wish you'd been in Drip for over a year, boys and girls? Well, what's your problem? Here's another opportunity with Piston. I like these ROI platforms. You should have a couple of them. Okay, get some elephant money while you're at it. Okay? I mean, diversify. Yes, you can exit the race. I don't even like that. If you made a decision to join the race, join the race. This is cool though, guys, right here. When you buy your Piston, no tax on the Piston site. Yeah, you can go to PancakeSwap and do it. Why would you do that? You're going to pay 10% tax. Buy your Piston tokens on the website. How do you do that, Jonathan? You go right here. Go to swap. Get some BUSD in your wallet. Swap it. Get the Piston token. Come here to the race. Click deposit. Add my buddy address. Bam, you're on my team. You've entered into the contest to win $500, to win some airdrops. You're good. You're good to go. And then you can build your own team. How do you build a team? You just document your journey. Okay? Now you can see level up. You click level up here, and this is like buying your Breep. I click 4 levels. Most of you need level 2. That means if you refer someone and they join your team and then they tell someone about their journey in the Piston token, you will get credit every time those 2 downlines talk about Piston. If they make a deposit, you get credited 5% on their deposit. So you should, if you're planning on building a team, do this. If you're not, who cares? So you should put Piston in the race and Piston in this boost. Upgrade your PitCrew level and boost your race. So I'm at level 4 because I have a sizable YouTube channel and people under me will talk about it to their team, to their team, to their team. Now, you can go all the way to 15 levels, but like, who's going to do that? So I haven't done that. Level 4 is probably a stretch, to be honest, for me, but whatever. So that's where that money sits. If you want to view your team, you come here and you click this button. Bam! And you can see these are all these little people. These are the people on my team. I can zoom in. And look at, someone has already joined my team. And whether they did a Reddit post, they talked about it on their YouTube channel. Look, this person right here has built out his team already. So he used me as his buddy address. And now he is getting credit for 5% of these deposits. That's how this works. So DeFi Meso, whoever you are, congrats. Hit me up in Telegram. That's great. You're building your team. That's what we're doing. I've got 71 direct, 93 extended. Let's refresh. 71, 76. We got 5 more. This is what happens, guys. I want you guys to build your YouTube channel. I sell a YouTube channel course because you guys know I built this channel 2 months ago and we have 11,000 subscribers. If you don't know what I'm talking about, the link is in the description. Extras. right here. I'm going live with about 20, 25 people, teaching them how I did it. 0 to 8,000 subs in 30 days. Now we're at 11,000. $149, cheapest course you'll ever find. I'm doing live support, all these YouTubers. And then they're going to grow. And then they're going to come here and they're going to build their teams. And it's going to be crazy. They're going to be like, Jonathan, I have 76 direct lines. That's crazy. I got 237. How did you do it? Well, they invested in a dumb course. Okay. And look at 237 Piston times $14, 3,000 minus the cost of the course, 149 equals 3,000. I mean, you got to learn. You got to learn from somebody, or you can do it yourself. You don't need a course. You know what you're doing. That's fine. That's for people that want to build on YouTube. You can be in any niche. My background is in affiliate marketing. I started in the mattress space. I used to be selling mattresses online. And then I went and bought a Dodge Viper and paid cash for it. Internet money's real. But here's the thing. In the DeFi space, there's very few people that like you can really trust. And I wanted to be one of those people. And I think that's honestly why the channel grew a little bit. So if you're going to join my YouTube course and all that, don't be a dick. Don't be dishonest. And don't seek after the money. Our first lesson is all about knowing your why. For me, why am I doing this YouTube channel? I could be making so much more money doing other things because I've done that. I've made millions of dollars. I don't need your membership course, your $149. I don't need that. So people that say that, it's like, you don't know my financial thing. You know why I'm in this space? Because I want to help others create passive income. If you start creating like 10 income streams for yourself, like if Piston's one of them, you guys know I help people sell online through Facebook Auto. This is one of my companies right here, fbautopilots.com. This right here is a way to monetize your Facebook, okay? I've got 25 people in the Philippines that are on my team. We help people sell so they make money through their Facebook. You can apply right here. Click apply here. Listen to George's testimony. This is a $7,000 upfront fee. But yeah, and this website, I took like no time to build it. Obviously, it looks like crap, but I don't care. It's one of my businesses. There's a way to make money through monetizing your Facebook. You can learn a new skill. You can invest in, don't invest there. You can invest in solid projects that have good teams like Piston. You can invest in Elephant. You've got your drip. Start building your portfolio, guys. That's how you become financially free. You have I call it like the four-legged stool. You've got real estate, you've got crypto, you've got e-commerce, and you got stocks. I mean, I've got things for you to get started in stocks, 5 free stocks. That's what I do. I just am documenting my journey. I'm giving you things that I've invested in, Nano Ledger, well, all sorts of things. I'm just documenting it. And then you will get haters, people going, oh, look at him. He's talking about his referral code. Yeah, I'm inviting you to make money. I'm inviting you to get your money working for you, to do what I'm doing. Some of you are like, oh, I don't like that he has 35,000. You could have this too. In 2 months, I did this. Okay. 2 months we built this. Now I've got a Telegram group that loves it there. There are about 3,500 members. And we did it by being honest. We did it just by being real. And there's no reason you can't do this. So if you're frustrated by Piston Token and you're like, I want to build a team. I hate that he's building a team. Join the crew, baby. $15, guys. Just hit $15. All right, let's go back here. Sorry for that long rant. Spread the love. Are you leveling up your boost level? I'm going to leave it at level 4. 309, that's great. How about a video on how to get in a pre-sale contract? That would be useful. Well, I don't know. You can't get into pre-sale because now the launch has happened. I got into the pre-sale from Piston because, again, I'm a YouTuber. I'm talking about their product. So they're like, yeah, give Jonathan a whitelist spot. That will happen to you if you start your YouTube channel and start marketing and talking about other people's projects. That's just the way the world works. I mean, if you want Gary Vee to talk about your product, you pay him. If you want celebrity endorsement, you pay them. I wasn't paid by Piston Token, but they did give me a whitelist. There you go. So you can get angry about it your whole life, or you go, no, that's just the way the world works. You give a project press, they're going to reward you. They're either going to pay you, they're going to give you a whitelist spot. And by the way, guys, I get hit up multiple times a day. Everybody telling the Drip Farm channel, can you cover this? Can you cover this? Can you cover this? And I turn down thousands of dollars every freaking day. So this idea that like, I need you to join my Discord, I need you to join my YouTube course, screw you all. All right. I don't need that. I don't need your $40 or whatever. We create a paywall in Discord to get rid of little scam artists, to get rid of all the trolls, to get rid of people that want to bot your Telegram group, all that crap. That's why Telegram's the worst platform ever. Piston Token is working on a Discord. I do know that. Someone says, bro, I can't join your team. What's your problem? Why not? I got one gas fee. I'm going to wait. You've got to have a little bit of money for gas fee. BNB, baby. The Binance Smart Chain uses BNB. So always leave a little bit of BNB in your MetaMask wallet. Yay, and end them got paused for X time. Okay, any questions, comments? Is there anything you need to go through before we end this live stream? What did you pay for your Piston buy per token? $3.09. I think that was it. 3.0 something. That's what I paid. So I have to wait for it to get down to here. It's at $15 now. So I've got a long way for it to drop until I lose money. Now I added to it. I added about 5 or 6 grand at around the $16 mark yesterday. So I bought with my own money because I wanted to go a little heavier into this project. So, but you do you. I mean, maybe I'm dumb to do that. I don't know. Can you switch to a different team if you put in a wrong address? I don't think so. I don't know. I think it's like Drip. Once you set a team member, you're good to go, but maybe they'll change that. Elephant, I know you can change it. If you want to join my Elephant team, you can do that as well. Message me on Telegram if you do, because I put you on a list. So this is where Elephant team, your partner, I can change up who my current partner is on Elephant. I can add any address here at any time. Update, update, update. But on Drip Faucet, you can't. Okay? And you guys can see I've got 283 members. I made $591. Okay? That's not out of that many people. So it's not like I'm getting rich, guys. The Elephant is not a referral type. You're not going to get rich making referrals in Elephant. But that's not why I'm here. I'm in Elephant. Let's roll, actually. Let's roll. I've got 29 trunk, which is equal to $29. We're going to roll that, which is compound. So roll, nitro, hydrate, they're all the same thing. And I'm getting 205% APR on a stable coin. On a stable coin. And this right here, the Stampede Perpetual Bonds, this is whatever money I put in here. So far, I put $2,800 in there. That's locked. I do not have access to that. I get access to it by being paid out every day. 205%, which is equal to 0.56% per day. I also put like $600 in here just to be cute. Let's roll that. This one here, you can take out your initial capital, but it's only 69% APR. But at any time, I can pull this out, click claim, sell it. So that's Elephant money. I like this project a lot. You can see in Elephant right now, how much do I have the value? I mean, it dropped a lot today. It's down 12%. You guys see that right there. Connect wallet. Oh my gosh. There you go. So I got about 14 G's in Elephant. I got my drip over here. It's paying me. I got to do some giveaways here when I end this live stream. I'll post the winners in my Telegram group. Piston, it's $15 right now. Read the white paper, guys. It's done well. I don't know. Here's the race. This is just crazy. I like these ROI platforms. So you can see I've got $5,000 worth right now. This number will continue to go up as the Piston price goes up in price. So we're at $15. Nice recovery. So no possibility to join your drip and farm team since I'm already in the faucet and in the garden. No, yeah, if you're already in drip and animal farm under someone else, you cannot switch it. I got in the Piston presale and got profit, but I want to move to drip because of the dev 3% tax. What do you think? Yeah, the dev 3% tax doesn't really concern me. As long as they use that 3% toward marketing and get more eyeballs on the project, that's fine. I mean, half of the success of any company is how well they market their product. You can have the best product, but if you don't know how to tell the story and get people into the product, then you aren't going to make any money. So how do they use that money? That will be great. Hopefully they are public about that. I would love to see what is that 3% going toward. But yeah, if you want to buy Drip on a dip, let's look at Drip's price. I mean, is it a good time to buy Drip? I mean, I tend to look for a little bit longer confirmation of a reversal, but it did hit here twice. So, you know, who knows? We're in no man's land. I would wait for a breakout above this line of support here. So anything above 32, that might signal a trend reversal for me, because we've been up here before and then it just fell back down. So we might do that again. But if it breaks out of this 32 mark, then we might be off to the races again. But it did this a few weeks ago. Yeah, we had this right here, this little bump, and then it has a slow fade down. So we have a little mini bump right here. That's why for me, I'm not buying any more Drip, but I am hydrating every day. For a while, I needed to claim some money for taxes, for my own personal taxes, but now I'm able to just hydrate. I mean, I will claim. Sometimes I do airdrops via the app. Sometimes I send through MetaMask, but I'll probably claim this to give away. All right, so Drip, Animal Farm. Let's look at Piggy Bank. I've got the garden working for me. So you can see 5.9, 180 plants. Let's just recompound this. Again, I'm compounding all this crap because the price of Drip is so low. Why do I want to claim? I don't want to claim right now. So I just, you know, there we added another 180 plants. So that's cool. Drip, Animal Farm, Elephant. Now I've added Piston. There she is. All right. Earn 1% daily. I like that. If I can have 10 projects where I'm making 1% every day, that's cool. There is no tax on deposit if you buy from the website, or you have to buy from the website. Okay. That's it. Now the deposit, yes, sorry. There is a deposit, 5% to upline, 5% to contract balance. But when you buy on the website, there is no. So you're in and out at a 20% tax, similar to Elephant. Good question. Thank you for asking it to Kieran. Can't swap my BUSD for Piston. Anyone having the same problem? Are you going to the website, Dicko901? You got to make sure you have enough BNB. Thank you, Russ. You're coming here to the website. You're clicking swap. Does it auto-populate? Does it show your BUSD? I would hate to refer you to Pancake Swap because you're going to pay a 10% tax. So if it's not working, I don't know what to tell you. My BUSD balance is nothing. That's why it's showing up as 0 for me, so I can't even help you. I got no BUSD. How do you do taxes on Drip Piston? I don't know. I'm not worried about the taxes within the actual protocol. I'll worry about what I get, what MetaMask tells the government. Yeah, I'm not going to talk about taxation publicly. Join your team. I look forward to 500. Kieran, you look forward to 500? You know how many other people are looking forward to that $500? 77. So 1 in 77 chance. Or I'm going to split it so there's multiple winners. So we have multiple people getting free cash. Let's do this. Is there a way to move Drip from MetaMask to a hardware wallet? Well, Drip is stuck in the faucet, okay? So I don't think you take it off of or out of the protocol and put it onto your actual ledger. Have you guys even bought a hardware wallet? Because if you haven't, that's something that I never had for a long time. And I kind of, you know, probably should have. So this is it. It just came in the mail today. I'm going to have to figure this all out. Maybe I'll do a video on how to set it all up. Check it out. You can like, subscribe to this video. All right. Is there anything else, guys, that you want to talk about? I got, by the way, my link for that Nano Ledger X is in the description if you want the same one as me. It's the Nano Ledger X. Very important in today's world to have a hardware wallet. You're going to get, there's just so many people are going to send you DMs. You're going to click on the wrong link one day and it's going to give them access to your MetaMask. Who knows? There's so many ways they can access this stuff these days. It's not worth the hassle. Protect yourself. I got mine when Bank Teller basically yelled at me and everyone else that we need one to stop playing with fire. So there you go. Oh, man. All right. Anything else, guys? I want to get off this live stream, but I want to help if you have any questions. Your assets are on the blockchain, not in a MetaMask or a hardware wallet. True. Which is the maximum payout in Piston Race? 5x. You can 5x your money right here. See what it says. To incentivize a consistent inflow of value into the system, a distinction is made between new deposits and compounds. Indirect rewards from one's downline as follows. The total amount in the gas tank can never go higher than 5 times the amount of deposits into your gas tank. So you would say, well, I thought we were getting 365%. That would be a 3.65x on your money. You can 5x it if you compound. Does that make sense? Now, 3.65x, where are you going to get that in the market? That's beautiful. That's why people went into Drip. So I love that. If you can 3.65x your money, woo. But to get 5x your money, it's fire. It's amazing. Oh, I just hit that on accident. We're going to reject that. We do not. Look at this low fee. I like that. Hardly anything. I'm going to reject that. We do not want to hit the Nitro compound button, do we? Hey, if the team's watching, guys, underneath Nitro, just put bracket compound. It'll help clear all the confusion. You won't have to answer 50 million DMs for the rest of your life. Just put bracket compound right here. Similar to how Forex did it. Hydrate, recompound. Hydrate, recompound. You guys should do the same thing, okay? So if you're watching, great. Remember, guys, if this changes, you were here when I made that suggestion. Watch. Just watch. Trezor, Model T, your assets are on the blockchain, blah, blah, blah. Which is the maximum payout? Okay, anything else, guys? Thank you to the 97 people still watching. This is the worst live stream in America. I don't know what I'm doing. I hate live streams because they're not polished. They're just kind of me and you talking. It is what it is, all right? All right. Are we done here? Do you guys want to keep it up? Let's check on the actual AMA team. See if the Piston team is still talking. Let's see here. Yeah, they're talking. They're still talking. All right. I'm gonna get this on for you guys just a second. Let's listen in. Here we go. Here we go.
Yeah. How much do you get every day? Do you know what percent you get every day in MDT?
1.5.
1.5% in MDT.
Yeah, that's correct. Well, so Piston works in a similar way. So look, when you joined MDT, you had to enter the wallet address of someone, right?
Yeah, I took a reference from one guy on YouTube who was talking about the project.
Could have been me.
Okay. Has he given you any airdrops?
I don't know. How can I know?
I think there's a if you go to MDT, right, there's an airdrop field, I believe. Let me go to MDT and check. On your dashboard, right, there should be an airdrop. Let me see. I'm just connecting right now. Yes, there is airdrops. Do you see airdrops?
I'm not in front of my PC now, but I can check later. Yeah.
Yeah. So when you log into your dashboard for My Diamond Team, there are 6 things you will see. Six dollar values you will see. Okay, or BNB values you will see. One is my deposits. One is max payout. One is unwithdrawn. Unwithdrawn is the 1.5% daily, right? There's a withdrawn. The withdrawn is what you claimed. There's a total ROI. What percent have you claimed? And there's the airdrops. Okay. Now some people, they never see the airdrops because they never notice the field, and they never pay attention to it. So if you've never paid attention to it, you might never have seen it. So you might have received airdrops in the past. But here's the thing: if you received them in the past, you cannot tell that right now, because when you reinvest, whatever's in the airdrop also goes into your My Deposits. You see that?
Okay.
So yeah, so keep an eye on the airdrops field every single day. And if that big YouTuber, how long has it been that you've been under him or her?
I think 9 days.
9 days. Okay. So, it depends. Like different YouTubers or team leaders will give airdrops, 1 month or 3 weeks or 2 weeks after joining or something like that. So just keep an eye on the airdrops. If you don't receive an airdrop for the next 3-4 weeks, just put a comment in one of his videos and say, "Hey, bro, where are my airdrops?" Okay. Because he's earning a lot from you guys, right? Whoever deposits under him, he takes 5%, right? And then every time you withdraw something, he will get something as well. Okay. So that's why you have to choose your team wisely. But guess what? Of course, you can earn a bit from the airdrops from the person above you. But a better way to make more money is to make your own team below you, right?
Yeah, but I'm not a YouTuber, so that people.
You don't have to be a YouTuber. Do you have friends and family who want to get into crypto, who are interested?
Yes, some of them, yeah.
Yeah, well, tell them about MDT. Let them deposit under you. You'll get 5% of their deposits, but don't be greedy. Like maybe like the YouTubers above you, right? I'm not saying he's greedy. Maybe he's like that. When you get that 5%, compound it, right? Compound for a month. And then after 1 month, you tell them, "Hey, I'm going to give you guys airdrops," right? Yeah. So because you will receive the 5%, but you don't want to just take the 5% and send it back to them, right? Because, well, then you're done, right? They're not going to receive anything more. Take that 5%, whatever it is. It's going to go into your deposits. You compound it for a few weeks, 3-4 weeks. It's going to get bigger. Right? Whatever you got from them is going to get bigger. Then you can send them regular airdrops, right? Every 2 weeks. It does not have to be a lot of money, the airdrops, right? Yeah. You just send them, a bit every time, right? Every 2 weeks, every week. It's up to you. Yeah, get a team under you, right? That's a good way to also, benefit from the system, and tell them to make a team under themselves, right? Because then everybody helps everybody, right? It's that's the way these systems are designed. So Piston works in the same way, but in Piston we don't look at the dollar value of the the tokens. If you deposit 100 tokens, for example, under someone, they will receive 5 Piston, which is 5%. Okay, into their deposits. Does that make sense? Into the rewards. Yeah, and then they can compound that and then send airdrops to their team members, right? Now again, if it's not a nice person, they might never send the airdrops, right? And they just might keep everything. You never know that. So that's why you got to choose a team wisely, right? There are lots of good teams. There are lots of good teams who have been advertising in the main in the Telegram group. And just look at you can even join their group without actually becoming a member of the team. Join their group, look at their strategy, ask questions, and then choose a team wisely, right? And then again, a better way to increase your profits is to get a team under you. Get a team under you, let them deposit under you. You get their 5%, and then you compound that, and then you can send them airdrops as well, right? So everybody wins. Yeah.
Good idea.
Yeah, does that answer your question, brother?
Yeah, really thank you for the help.
You're welcome, brother. Anytime.
Yeah, good job, Nigel. Hi, I'm back again.
Hi.
You're just a machine.
I am, yes. Remember, I'm a teacher and a university professor by profession. So I'll tell you what my record is. There was one day, I think 5 years ago, when I taught for 11 hours that day. I was teaching math and physics. I was teaching math and calculus for 11 hours. Okay, so I can do this.
Just amazing.
Thank you.
But also unbelievable. Yeah. So the race is running good. It is okay. The only issue for now is the exit method. I needed to disable it, but we are on it. We got 2 other devs working on it right now, and the UI devs are working to improve the website. So it was a good launch with small issues, but we can say it was good.
Good
Thank
launch.
you. Yeah. I've been collecting the questions that I've been getting. A lot of them are UI issues, but I think there might be 1 or 2 contract issues that can I tell you right now?
Yeah.
Or questions. Yeah. One of them is, so someone reported that they received a boost from their downline, right? They can see the boost, what it is. But so what can he do with the boost? So what he did was he clicked on Nitro to compound, but the boost did not go into his deposits. He also sent an airdrop to someone, but the boost also did not go as an airdrop.
No. It is the same system as in Drip. It's a bit different to my Diamond team, because in my Diamond team you see all the rewards in a single line. So you see your the direct bonus and the match bonus and the airdrops and so on. But here in Piston, everything goes to the deposits. So if you get the 5% of your direct referral, you get the 5% directly in your deposits, and this means that the number you have on let me just find the correct name.
Boost.
Yeah, the number on boost received. This number is the number you got, but this is already in your deposits included.
Okay, that makes sense. Yes. Okay, great. So it's already gone into your deposit. It's just telling you how much you received. Okay.
Yeah. And this way you can calculate. Yeah.
Right. So the number it shows in the boost, is it cumulative? So when you receive more rewards from the downline, is it going to add to that, or is it going to show separate boosts? Because I haven't used it yet, so I don't know.
No, it will just increase.
Okay, great. And it will include the 5% from the deposits and the 3% from the compounds, right? As long as it's your turn to receive it in the round robin.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah. One more question about that. So I was wondering about that myself. So let's say I deposit under the marketing wallet, right? And then there is a downline under me. And so someone deposits under me, I receive the 5% of the deposit. And then the next day, the person under me, they compound. Now that compound goes to the marketing wallet, right? The 3%.
In the round robin, you have to think in a line. It means the wallet under you takes the first action. For example, a deposit.
Right.
So the reward for this first action goes to you, because you are his direct upline.
Correct.
And if the wallet under you takes the second action, for example, a nitro boost, then it goes to the upline of you, because as seen from the wallet under you, the wallet above you is the number 2. The second action is a number 2.
Right. No, of course I understand that, but I'm saying, what if that wallet is a marketing wallet, the project wallet? So the project wallet will receive that, right?
Yeah. If the
Okay.
if the marketing wallet has enough levels.
Oh, okay. Of course, yeah. Okay, and then of course after that it will come back to me, right? Because if I'm directly into the marketing wallet, I'll receive the first reward. The marketing wallet receives the second reward, and then the third one I'll receive it again, right? Because it'll go round robin.
Exactly. At the top action, there is an internal counter, and this counter resets here, so it gets back to the sender. Yeah.
Okay, great. And is that counter also on the UI itself? Like, could you see on the UI who is receiving the reward? Is it are you receiving the reward?
No,
is it a level above you or 2 levels above you? Who is getting the reward? Do you see that or not? Because I haven't played with this yet.
We were talking about this possibility. If you check in the UI, on the bottom left corner, there is a driver icon with this motorcycle helmet. We were thinking if we should here display the ID or the wallet of the next recipient of the round robin system, but we skipped this because we had a fear that the users will maybe do this with some strategy to make a small action if the next one is a guy that they don't like, for example.
Ah, okay. So that makes sense. Yeah, that is very wise. Yeah, no, that's great. I like that.
We had many talk about this, and we also had this feature already done, but then we had much more people to ask, and then they just said no, it's not fair. It's not fair to know who is next because they can do a small action. Yeah.
Right. Yeah, no, that's good. Okay. One last question. So I am trying. I click on PitCrew boost levels, and then I clicked on level 1 and stake, and it's like 6 point something pistons. It says processing transaction, but then I get the 0.38 BNB error in my MetaMask. Do you know what do you have any kind of solution right now I could implement or try? I have logged out of the website and refreshed and disconnected, and then logged back in and tried it multiple times, but it's still doing the same thing.
It would be great if you could proceed this transaction, and then I can debug it.
Okay. Yeah.
You won't lost your BNB.
But right now the thing is, it says insufficient funds because I don't have 0.38 BNB in my wallet. So what I did is I clicked on I will try anyway. Then I clicked on edit, and I edited the fee to the level that I have the BNB in my wallet. But I don't know if that's yeah. You need to see what happens with the 0.38, right? Yeah.
Yeah, because this is technically because a blockchain has no error management, and so they just used this static price to show an error. Mm-hmm. This is the only way. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll move some BNB from another wallet to this wallet, and then I can try this transaction and then see what error I get, and I can send you the transaction hash.
This would be great. Yeah. Then I can get into it.
Great. Thank you. Appreciate that, Sam. Yeah. Okay, so we got more people. Snazzy's here.
Hey Nigel, how you doing, my friend?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Good. Sounding pretty fresh compared to what time it is there for you.
It's 4:03 a.m.
I know you're a machine. Hey,
Thank you.
first, I just want to say thank you to the dev team, Sam and Tony and all the admin staff for a great job. But this question might have already been asked because I haven't been on this all afternoon. But I've got at least 10 people that have said they have joined under my team wallet address. But when I go to verify them that they are under my address, they're not showing up. And then when they send me a screenshot of what they're seeing as their pit crew, there is no upline on their
Right.
team.
Sam, I think you wanted to speak.
Yeah, this is also a UI issue because our servers are under heavy attack. We also we did some we added some more power here, but we still facing many traffic, also from some evil guys. And since the race is a server-side application, this is getting slow here, and the visual display of this uplines and downlines is also done at the server. So at the moment, it is not working for everyone on our parts of the earth.
Okay, so it'll work itself out then.
Yep, but please feel free to DM me, send me your wallet, and I will show you the numbers on the contract, and then you see how many referrals you got.
Okay,
Let's do this.
All right. Thanks, Sam.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Let me show you. Some of you are saying I don't know how to get in. Guys, my link is in the description, okay? This is the buddy address on this little JPEG image, but let me show you guys. This is how you do it. You simply come over here, swap. You're going to begin your journey in Piston Token by swapping. As far as, yeah, if you come into the chat and you're disrespectful and you say you're a hothead and it gets to personal attacks, yeah, I just ban you because you haven't learned how to have healthy communications. But let me show this guy how to get in first, and then I'll address FUD. Okay, so swap from BUSD to Piston. Come here. You gotta have BUSD, and you gotta have BNB in your wallet, member, because all of these transactions require gas fees. Once you have your Piston token, great. Now you'll come over to the race, you'll deposit it. It's so simple. Then you'll just go to my YouTube video, copy and paste that description of my wallet address, which is right here in the video. Let's get off this website. Just messing. I feel bad for everybody. But yeah, you just come here. You're looking at the live stream, right? And then you would just copy and paste this, your PitCrew address. Boom. Copy, paste that. Go back to the website. Put it in here. And now you're in the race. All right. And yes, I am doing a promo this week. Chance to win $500. Be on my team. Get airdrops. And then if you want access to my premium Discord, just send me a message that you have deposited over $2,000 into the race using my buddy address. And that's how you get entered. The first 10 people, okay? Because I'm not doing this for everybody, or else Telegram will get insane. And I like Telegram because it's super small, which I think my Telegram group is almost sold out. My membership, yeah, there's 2 of 100 remaining. Okay? 2 of 100 spots remaining in the Telegram group there. But you don't need to join. You can just, my Discord group. You can join Telegram for free. And our Telegram group is literally the best in the drip animal farm space. Okay, so yeah, I delete guys. Like some of you are like, you ban people. Yeah, of course I do. If you're disrespectful, like of course it's my YouTube channel, it's my Telegram group. Of course, if you come over to my house and you act disrespectful, I can ask you to leave. Now, if I was running a major protocols Telegram, different standards apply, right? You have to handle those situations differently because it's a public Telegram group. It's a protocols Telegram group. So you guys know I've been critical of Animal Farm and Drip and how they manage that, but we don't need to get into that. It's so annoying. We all agree the same thing. Like, it's not How they handle things over there is not healthy. It is what it is. I'm loving what I'm seeing with Piston Token. Not trying to compare them. I'm just saying, listen to their AMAs today. Look at their Telegram group. Look how they handle questions. Super awesome. They have a team. They're working on a Discord. They are communicating every day. I think it's like 4 a.m. where some of them are. They're still live. It is what it is. I don't worship any one developer. I'm trying to make money. You're trying to make money. And you can make money in all sorts of different projects. So you got to grow up. You can't just be like mad at YouTubers your whole life. Oh, you make a referral commission. I know. I cover that every day. Like, it is what it is. Like, go start your own YouTube channel. Like, why would you waste time? You being mad at me doesn't take any energy away from my life. Like, I'm very secure with who I am. I've not shilled crap projects to you. Go through all my YouTube channel. Go. What project have I shilled that has sucked? All right. Drip, Animal Farm, My Diamond Team, and now Piston and Elephant. These are solid projects, okay? In my opinion, but you do what you want to do. Let's talk quickly about My Diamond Team, because I put a poll in this, and 52% of you said you are not in My Diamond Team, which is fine. Because if you look at the website, you're like, yeah, this looks ridiculous. But My Diamond Team has paid me well because of referrals. I have a referral link right here. It's in the description of the video, okay? If you go to My Diamond Team, you're going to need it if you want to join. You right here. You click here. It's in the link in my description. Now, the same team that developed this was their 1B project, their first project, but remember it's version 2, so we'll call it 1v2 first project. Look at the website. I mean, it looks silly, right? They went from this to this. Improvement, right? It shows you they ain't in here for the short term. They've got all sorts of projects that they're looking to build upon this. So in my opinion, you're getting in super early. But why not take advantage like I'm doing? I'm taking advantage of 1% per day from the Piston race, and I'm also taking advantage of 1.5% per day on this sneaky little project. This right here in fine print says it pays you out 1.5% daily. What does it pay you out in, Jonathan? This pays you out in BNB. For those new to crypto, BNB is one of the best things you can own in your wallet. Right under Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. Look at this. You want to make as much BNB in your life as possible because Binance ain't going away anywhere. It's not going away. BNB is awesome. So if I find a protocol like this that is paying me out 1.5% off of my deposit, that's awesome. So if I do a calculator, I can look and say, okay, I have $2,600 in my deposit times 1.5% per day. I make $39 worth of BNB. Now, is BNB going to go up and to the right in my life? Yeah. So this $39 is not US dollars. US dollars stays flat. This actually is probably going to increase over time. So I'm making this per day. Now you say you also have withdrawn about 9,000. Yeah, because I will either compound or withdraw depending on what I need. If I need the money, maybe I want to withdraw this and put this money in Elephant. I've been doing that. So I'm going to withdraw it right here. I got $180 to withdraw. Now I have that because right now when Elephant's down, I want to take this money and throw it at a project where their coin is tanking. See what I'm doing here? So like Drip is down, but I'm not buying Drip until it has broken through here. I already covered this. If it breaks the $32 mark, then I might add more Drip. But because I already have a lot of Drip, I don't have a lot of Elephant. So you guys know I covered Elephant and it skyrocketed, which is awesome. But today, like, is a red day. These are days you want to buy, in my opinion. You can see it starting to curl, but it hasn't found a bottom. So I will wait. But now because I've got that $180 BNB ready to deploy, I will wait for it to curl up, whether it's here or whether it reaches this level again at 36 cents. It's at 40. Either way, even if I bought right now, I'm buying on a dip. I'm dollar cost averaging into Elephant. So see what I'm doing? I'm using My Diamond Team's BNB because it pays me in BNB. I'm using this to buy more elephant. And then I've got Piston Token, which is now working for me. And I'm going to keep compounding this, probably compound 5 days in a row, and then on a weekend claim. Drip, I have been hydrating. All right, I hydrate. I can't hydrate this because this I've got to give away today to people that entered. All my contests are in the link in the description. So 1 day out of the month, I donate all of my 24-hour earnings to charity, as you guys know. And then each week, I do an airdrop for contests. So that's what you can expect with my team. Now, if you get under Stunner Breezy and some of these big dogs, these OGs, they give more than I can give because, again, I don't have as much as they do. They were in early. So it is what it is. But I appreciate you guys when you join my team. I think most of you join my team not looking to get something out of it, but it's a way of saying thanks for daily creating content. This is my full-time gig. So I'm in my diamond team. It's been working well. If you want to join that, great. My referral link is in the description. I'm using this money. Oftentimes I either withdraw or because if I reinvest, I get a 5% bonus. And then I'll take this money, like on a red day, I'd rather withdraw from my diamond team and throw it at elephant. All right, because it's on a dip. So does that make sense? Questions, comments? Can you cover the stake piston and PitCrew boost? Is that gone forever? Trying to enter the race and join your team, but trying to deposit 38 piston is costing 0.378 BNB. Is that right? Did you forget a 0.0? By the way, Dick901, make sure when you do deposit into piston, it is a full number. Don't do this. Some of you are doing 7.89, whatever. That won't work. It has to be a whole number. 7. Try that, and that should work. If you use my buddy address as well, if you use a buddy address that isn't deposited, your transaction will fail. So let me know if that works. Okay, sorted it out. Great. This is why we created this live stream. Randy Fontaine, seems to be an issue with the 0.378 or $200 for gas. No, don't pay $200 for gas. Something isn't right. So Randy, did you get that figured out? Try to remove decimals if you can. Yes. Do not do, if you're depositing into the race, it has to be a whole number. No decimals. That should fix your issue. Okay, guys? So yeah, this is, I've got money in 3 spaces as it pertains to piston, everybody. I have money in the race. I have piston tokens that you can see right here. I've got 896 piston tokens that are on the sidelines. And you say, why do you have them on the sidelines? Because I want to see this project every day. It'll grow in confidence. So I'll add a little bit more, add a little bit more. So it's okay to have a little bit on the sideline. In the third place I have money is right here. When you click level up, you have to deposit some piston in order to receive a referral commission if you plan on building a team. So I would suggest everybody get into at least level 1. It's a very minimal amount of piston. I did level 4. So what that means is on my downline, I can go 4 levels. Let's zoom in. You can see right here, I joined under a buddy list. I'm under them. Then under me, I've got people like this person who signed up, and then this person signed up. So if he's got level 2, he will get rewarded for this. He'll get 5% of this person's transaction. Okay? That's how this works. Everybody's getting rewarded in a round robin style. So it's very similar to drip. You can keep tab of how much piston you've received. So you can see from my team, I've received 307. Okay. And I will be doing a giveaway at the end of this week, as well as airdrop. The giveaway is for up to $500 if you're interested. This is all the details right here. So if you want to join, great. If not, don't join my team. Do not join my team. If you are like, I didn't win the $500, screw it. Go join someone else's team. I don't know who else is giving a giveaway like this. I don't know. Maybe someone's doing something better than this. I don't know. This is just what I'm doing. Can I please just have my life? I don't have to do this, but I want to. I want to give back. And as a full-time YouTuber, it's not like this money is going all to me right away. Okay, I'm not. So people are like, you made 307 Piston. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Where did it go? It went into the race. Okay. This is where it went. It went into the race. So I only get 1% of this every day. Hopefully that makes sense. It's great. It's awesome, but it's not like I'm making money. I'm not getting rich off this. Yep, you've got to input a buddy address that's been deposited. My buddy address is in the link in the description. I had to disconnect MetaMask from Piston Token and then 0.3 BNB error was off. Good, good. That's awesome. Thank you, Holly. Appreciate that. So those that got in Piston, I feel like you are missing out. No, I can't say this. The way to play Piston, the way I'm playing Piston is by going on this website. Okay? Because this website pays you in BNB. So getting paid 1.5% daily from one protocol while also getting paid 1% daily from this protocol, that is 2.5% if I add it up in my mind. It's amazing. And you're diversified across two different protocols. So if one goes to crap, you got the other one. Now, they are from the same team, so only invest risk capital in all this DeFi stuff, okay? Don't remortgage the bank. Don't remortgage the house. Don't unload your bank account. Just risk capital only. So we looked at Elephant, and this is why, again, I said, if you're just joining the stream, like my strategy on these days, I'm going to reinvest. If it's like a low amount, just reinvest. But some days I'm withdrawing, and like I said, I am eyeing right now buying more Elephant because it's down about 15-16% today. So if it starts to curl back up, that's when I got to go to the Elephant website, click buy one more BNB of Elephant. Awesome. Okay, that's how we play. So everybody else on every other YouTube channel is talking about this, where I'm talking about this plus this. Okay, all my links, if you want to join my Diamond team, only join it if you want to. I'm not doing, I'm doing giveaways. I don't do the airdrops for this. But if you join, you message me in Telegram, say I joined my Diamond team. Great, I have a list of people. Out of those people, that's who I enters into the contest to win free drip. So you get drip, you get my Diamond team, and you get Piston. That's the way I'm doing it. I think it's the smartest way. So yeah, these protocols can work together if you want them to. But if you watch the wrong YouTuber, they're going to say, guys, you should only be in drip. Just stick to drip, 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 drip. Yeah, drip's great. The price of drip sucks right now. You should just be hydrating. That's what I'm doing. I mean, you can do whatever you want. I'm hydrating. But there's other projects that you can make a passive income. I'm building out an Excel spreadsheet. See this right here? My crypto projects. I'm not going to show you all my crypto projects, but this little tab, you can't really see it. That documents all the things I'm making money off of. In our Discord, there's other projects we discuss. On my Telegram group, we only discuss projects that this YouTube channel covers because I get asked to cover a ton of projects and I just won't do it if I don't feel good about it. So playing this in addition to playing this is kind of a cool thing. So you want to get on the 1-2 punch, that's the way to do it. And then you can take your BNB and get into the 1-2-3 punch by joining Elephant. See how it's like a little circle? And I'm doing all this while drip is dripping. While drip drips, that's what I'm doing. While Animal Farm does its thing, 11 plants, compound this every day. Why not? I don't even care. Just compound. Once this launches next week, I have a feeling it's gonna do well because people are like, let's go. Forex, turn it back on. I'm excited. And I think crypto market altogether is going to have a solid end of the year. I don't know. I mean, this is the opinions of a dumb YouTuber. but there's a lot of things in the work. Like Apple doesn't even have a crypto wallet yet. Really? Like we're early. Twitter, you can't even donate to your favorite tweet with some Dogecoin. Elon buys 9% stake in Twitter. You think that's the end game? You think he ain't gonna try to incorporate with Jack Dorsey like a lot of ways to put crypto on Twitter and all that? Like it's all coming. Writing's on the wall. We just need massive regulation, which would be really, really helpful in the United States. I think regulations are good in crypto. Okay. Oh my gosh, Piston Token, you're killing me. 1547 now. Wow, guys. 1547. That is awesome. It's really just run straight up. So you had the initial launch, it launches, and then you sell off. It's like so predictable, right? And this is where we sit. All right, let's go to the chat. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for liking this video, subscribing to this crappy YouTube channel, and being my friend, watching me document my little journey. Jonathan, do we have to join the PitCrew Boost? Only if you plan on adding people to your downline. If people are going to sign up using your buddy link, which is awesome, I hope they do. Yeah, you're going to want to add at least level 2 boost. Any insider info about your unpause of Piggy Bank? No, I don't talk to anyone from the dev team of Drip or Animal Farm. I don't know any of them. Price of Drip doesn't suck if you were in it from 7. Exactly. Adamo, thank you for stating the obvious. Appreciate it. Any inside info about the unpause of Piggy Bank? No, I have no inside information. I don't know Forex. So hopefully next week. The last announcement was he's going to come out, I think next week, Tuesday. Hopefully it launches again. They said they're ready to go. But, you know, I'm not going to say anything. We'll just wait. What's up, Greg? I think I'm going to position some capital to jump into a lot of the non-core farms on Animal Farm once it relaunches. Okay. Don't want to mess with buying pigs or dogs outright at the outset. So he's talking about, yeah, we sometimes forget that Animal Farm is this huge ecosystem. If you click on farms, you've got, let's do the grid view. You've got all these that you can make a certain APY from. So if you own some of these tokens, you can create an LP token like ETH and USDC and throw it in here to earn a daily passive income. So there's that opportunity. I'll show you them all here. So yeah, this is a big farm, yield farming protocol as well. Not just the piggy bank, not just Drip Garden. That's why like this can be the mother, man. When Forex had this going, we had over $300 million in TVL. That's crazy. Piston Token, I think, is 3 million, probably about 4 million at this point. So it's super small. Piston's super small compared to this. But that's the price you pay getting in early. Like maybe you're getting into Piston Token super early and, you know, no one knows. So I don't do any price predictions because no one freaking knows. This is DeFi. It's all up to like the team, their marketing. How well will they market? Oh, man. All right, guys. Any other questions? I'm looking at, let me quickly, for those just joining, this is Piston. It just launched today. It's on the Binance Smart Chain, and it's designed to run as an ecosystem, earning rewards by depositing your tokens in the Piston race. The way to begin your journey in Piston Token is you got to have BUSD in your MetaMask wallet. You max out however much BUSD you want. It'll give you Piston. You swap it. If you do this, it's free. There's no tax. But if you deposit into the race, there is a 10% tax. Everybody pays it. And then once you're in the race, this money is the ability to make 1% comes into play. So you'll be able to make 1% off of your income. Sorry, I'm looking outside at somebody. What are they doing? Weird. Anyways, if you plan on building a team, then you come here to share your referral code. You can view your team right here. And then you can add some piston to this. Select a level. Probably need at least level 1, level 2. These are your downlines, guys. If you have piston money in here, you will now be available, making yourself available to get 5% of whoever their deposit is. So if someone underneath you deposits $1,000, 1,000 times 5%, that means you will make $50. Okay, so $1,000 is what someone's going to deposit underneath you, times 5%. You made $50 off their deposit. So they're doing this because they want you to go talk to your friends and family and YouTube channel or whatever about making 1% per day. They want you to talk about it. So they're incentivizing you to do so through a referral system. Most companies have referral systems, affiliate links. Amazon does this. It's just like the way in which you reward people that talk about your thing. So what I'm doing this week is saying, hey, I'm talking about your thing, but to those who sign up under my team, I'm saying, hey, I'm going to do something for you guys. If you join, you have access to win $500 in prizes. That's what I'm going to give away. And then there'll also be airdrops that I'll do on my Piston with my team. Plus, right now, you can have access to my premium Discord for the first 10 members that make a deposit over $2,000. If you're in my Discord already, sorry, this doesn't apply to you. It's for new members that want to come in. I'm only giving away 10 spots. You have to show me you joined and you made a deposit of over $2,000 worth of Piston token. All right, questions, comments? What happened when my gas tank is full? The left blue gauge is way up. Yeah, then you would just create another wallet, I would imagine. But I mean, the amount of time it's going to take to actually 5x, I don't know. Take long time. If I recompound, by the time I get to max, I think 50,000 Piston tokens is the max. Where did I read this? Where is it? Yeah, go to the white paper, guys. This tells you all about it. So you need 300 worth of Piston for your level 2. This is how the round robin referral system works. There you go. If a user reaches the maximum of 50,000 Piston, there you go. Right there. So you have the opportunity to put 50,000 Piston. What would that be right now at its current value? 50,000 times $15 is 750,000. Let's do that again. 50,000 times $15 is 750,000. But remember, that's the price at $15 right now. So go ahead, guys. Make sure you put in 50,000 Piston into the race right away. Just use my buddy link to do so. You imagine someone has $750,000 and they put it in this? I mean, that's crazy. What would they make per day? Let's do what someone's making per day. Yeah, if they put in the max amount, 50,000 Piston times $15, that means they would be out 750,000 times 1% per day equals, they'd be making 7,500 in Piston per day. 7,500. Is that right? Did I do that right? Tell me in the comments. Nitro means compound. Guys, from the dev team, if you're watching this video, please just put the word compound here underneath Nitro. It'll make your life so amazing. No one will bug you anymore. You know how many messages they're getting right now? Hey, what does Nitro mean? What does Nitro mean? This just simply means compound. Claim, compound. Notice how beautiful the compound button is and how ugly the claim button is. That's cute. That's real cute. Jonathan, do we have to join the PitCrew Boost TVL or not? I've answered that. Only if you plan on building a team. When gas tank is full, sell some Piston and redeposit new Piston. New money, bigger gas tank. Laughing my F. I don't know what LMFAO means. I don't know what that means. Seifu seems crap. Well, today it does, but yesterday was fine. Maybe tomorrow it's fine. But these are all early projects. I do have a little bit of Seifu. I do have a little bit of Titano. I got a little bit of crap coins everywhere. Not calling them crap, relax. But again, I'm trying to build a bunch of projects that pay me out a little bit every day. I don't want to have like 100, because then every day if I have to like recompound everything, oh, it'd be stressful. But yeah, the thing is too with this, like you don't have to come compound every day. It'll just sit here. So if you go on vacation for a week, come back, click it. Like if you don't have internet access, that's fine. It'll grow. You don't have to worry about it. But I would every day for me, I'm going to compound. In fact, I should set an alarm on my phone that alerts me when to compound. Claim. Claim your Piston. Your pre-sale purchase is ready to be claimed. Oh, great. How much do I get? Nothing. Oh, crap. April 7th is V2 thing. I can't wait to hear more about that. So this right here is a catalyst as well for the stock. Look at that, 1550. That's crazy. I'm telling you, it's all about the community. It's all about positive vibes. When people start trusting protocols, they'll talk. I mean, I don't know. But remember, if you're just getting here, the way to play Piston, in my opinion, is to play, to not just play it over here, but to play it over here. All right? So I'm in both. 1, 2, 1, 2. So right here, you see, I've got $239 in BNB. I can withdraw that and go buy more elephant token with it because today the price is down. But I'm going to reinvest it and get 5% bonus. So if I reinvest this money right here, $238 times 5%, it's $11.90 that I'm going to get in addition to my $238. So I'm basically depositing another $250 into my diamond team right now, which means I will, on this $250, make times 1.5%. So I'm going to make an additional $3.74 every day in BNB. If BNB goes up in price by like 20% this year, there you go. Times 20% is 74 cents plus 3. What was it? 90. There, I'm making an extra $5 a day times 365. There, I'm making an extra $1,700 in the last 5 minutes per year if I click this button. So I'm going to reinvest it, guys. You guys want me to reinvest it, or do you want me to withdraw it? Tell me in the comments before I do it. What do you want me to do? You want me to reinvest my Diamond 2, or do you want me to claim it and go buy elephant token? Let me know. There's a delay, so I'm going to wait. But this is the way you play DeFi, guys. You're in all sorts of crappy little projects, and all the crap works together, and you make a lot of crap, and then you go do crap. You donate to drippingforwells.com. You feel good about that. You give some to your friends. You airdrop your team. You do contests. You tell them to buy a Nano Ledger X, link in the description below, which I just got mine in the mail today. So if you're going to scam my wallet address, please wait. Please wait a day. So Greg says reinvest it, bro. And then Jay's like, buy elephant. Guys, we have a divided community. What should we do? I'm just going to reinvest it, okay? I reinvest it. Here we go. Confirm. So this is my gas fee. Estimated gas fee is 0.0000. Oh, that's a lot of money, guys. Should I do it? That's so much. Are you stupid? It's like under 50 cents in gas fee. MetaMask, if you're watching this video, which you're not, right here, put the USD value underneath the BNB, okay? It's the simplest thing to do. It'll just make people feel really, really happy if you just did that. Just put bracket 0.35 cents USD value. All right? You're welcome for the tip. Here we go. We're reinvesting back into the My Diamond team, showing my confidence. So here it goes. $239. 2589. It's going to grow. My deposits is going to grow. It says yes, reinvest. Boom. And bam. Boom and bam. Now I've got $2,840. I've got zero money to withdraw. If you guys want in my diamond team, you want to make 1.5% per day, as 7,000 people have decided to do so. 7,200, it grows every day. That's what I watch for. Because the moment this stops growing, I'm going to claim, withdraw. Why? Because it's dead. This is dead. This has some Ponzi-nomics to it. Needs new peoples to join. You know what's going to happen, you frickin' tool bags? Because of the success of this, people are going to be like, how else can I make money off this team? Then they're going to start talking about this. Then they're going to do projects where you win both. They're going to talk about both. And you have already been in this because you're freaking early and you're smart. And instead of making 1% like everybody else, you're making 2.5%. You're making 1% here and 1.5% in BNB here. And then with the 1.5% BNB, you're going to come here and you're going to buy some elephant. Or you're going to buy some trunk, which is a stable coin. You're going to make 205% off your money. You're going to play the whole system. You're going to manipulate the system to build your bags. And all this is happening while this keeps on dripping. While this keeps on paying out. These are your two mothers, all right? And then if you want to get a little bit of ECOM exposure, you say, hey, Jonathan, I want your team to run my Facebook account, okay? I want to sell crap online. I don't want anything to do with it. I don't know what I'm doing. And then you're going to watch this video. You're going to apply here, and maybe you're going to work my team. Now you're going to have your toes dipped in ECOM. Now you're really working. You got Facebook working for you. You got your crypto plays working for you. Then you're going to go buy a dog. Okay? You're going to go buy a dog. Because if you buy a dog, you know what happens? When you go for a walk with your dog, ladies come up to you. And when ladies come up to you, you have an opportunity to begin a conversation with them. And when you begin a conversation with them, you have the opportunity to say, oh, so is your family from here? Are you married? You got kids? No, I'm single. Oh, really? I'm single too. That's crazy. Man, we should exchange numbers. You exchange numbers. And then, because you have a dog, you invite them over to your house and you cook them an Italian dinner, chicken Alfredo. And they go, wow, this guy cooks. And then you choose to be a healthy gentleman and you don't kiss her on the first date. You say, it's been a great dinner. I'm sure you have a lot of things to do. I'll walk you to the door. And you walk her to the door because it's a way of saying, look, I got other things to do. Okay? Is this how we play the game, Tex? So this is how you play the crypto game. It all ends up, you buy a dog with your crypto earnings to get the girl. If you're married, this advice does not apply to you. You need to go love who you love. You chose your wife. That's who you chose. Stick with her. She's a great woman. Bloom where you're planted. Stop looking at the grass is greener on the other side. All right? That's your marriage advice on this channel. I know that's why you guys like and subscribe. All right, I'm an idiot. Let's go to the comments, okay? Oh man, you guys are so dumb. I love myself too much. This is the drip channel. Oh my gosh, I love it when people say that. Like, this is the drip channel and you're covering something other than drip. Like, I'm awesome. Let me just point that out to you. You should change the name of your channel. Maybe I will. Give me a suggestion. I'm happy to change the channel for you guys. Any other comments, questions? There's only 58 people watching, probably because the momentum has now died down. Any other questions? I'm here to answer technical support. Some of you are probably saying your BNB isn't working. Guys, you have to use whole numbers. Whole numbers, not percentage. If you put in 7.95 Piston, it will not go through. Let's check the price. Oh my gosh, we're crashing. Just kidding. It's 15.56 price of Piston. What are these other DeFi plays that I'm watching? Titano is down 5%. Titano just does its thing. You know, it just from 12 to like 19 cents. But this is an opportunity too, all right? You could take some of your earnings on some of the plays and buy Titano when it's down if you believe in that. So Piston is up 3.56% in the last hour. Drip is having an okay day, staying around 31 bucks. Love to see it. Elephant, boom. This is your buy day. I like to see this because now you can enter in at a discounted price. If it recovers 20%, let's say this is down 20%, that just eliminated your buy tax and your sell tax if it recovers 20%. This is why you want to buy in the red days. And that's why I keep talking about this, because whatever this pays you, you can withdraw BNB and go buy Elephant or Stampede. And now you're diversified. Now you're not worried about, oh, what if one project rugs? What if Forex pauses the contract for a month? You know, like you're diversified. Oh, we love him. Forex, thank you for all your work you're doing. I guarantee you are working your butt off and you want to make it all right. And I cannot wait to hear what you've been doing. The scratch off tickets, all that stuff. Anybody excited for the relaunch of Animal Farm? Let's go. I'm excited. All right, guys, help me hit 100 people. I'm at 98 in my pit crew. 2 more people that want to get in Piston. Come on. That would be wonderful. Yes, Lee, I'm thinking about changing the name of my channel to Panic Seller because, you know, my last name. Wouldn't that be crazy? Panic Seller. It kind of would give me an alibi if I ever did sell too. I'd be like, what? It's the Panic Seller channel. So maybe I'll name it Panic Seller because then I can cover all that I'm doing in crypto and in stocks, in all investments, because it's got that Panic Seller. Then I could create merch and it would look cool if someone wore like Panic Seller rather than the Drip Farm. I don't know. Like, I'm going to do a poll right now. Should I change my name? Let's do it. We're going to make history on this live stream. And you guys, the 50 people, are going to determine the outcome of my life. Right now, we're going to add a poll. Let's do create a poll. The question: what should the name of my YouTube channel be going forward? Then we're going to do this. The Drip Farm or Panic Seller. By the way, yeah, because that's my last name. Last name is Seller. So that's why Panic Seller, and it's the idea like that term Panic Seller refers to people that are investments. This is a channel that covers investments, and it's kind of got that cool like, what's up? I'm the Panic Seller. Who knows? Just give me your. The last poll we did, by the way, when you're answering that poll, the last poll we did was, are you in My Diamond Team 2? 56% of you said no. You guys are just focused in on this. I don't understand. This is the same team that runs this, is running this. This pays you 1.5% in BNB, not in Piston Token, because Piston Token is going to go up and to the right, up and to the left, up and to the. It's going to go everywhere. All right. You know what doesn't go so crazy is freaking BNB. So I got one eye on this and one eye on this. You got 2 eyes on just this. That's the difference between you and me. I'm playing both sides of this fence. 99 people. Oh my gosh. One more person. Who's going to join the team? The Panic Seller team. Just kidding. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Look at this poll. Guys, you are determining my future. Let's see. So, wow. What should the name of my YouTube channel be going forward? 70% said the Panic Seller. 30% Drip Farm. Oh, only 52 people are watching this, so I don't know if this should be the final say. Live your words about everything. Recently followed you. I'm so happy to found you. Thank you, Hamoon. That's the nicest thing ever. I wanted to, but I got gas fees. Someone has gas. Get it? You got gas fees. I got gas. Drip is my wife, and that ex-wife you can't get rid of. Oh, boom. I'm still in the MDT V1. When I pay out 100%, I'll jump into V2. Cool. Isn't that cool, JT, that V1 is doing everything they said it would do? They did not rug pull you. So those YouTubers are like, oh, look at it rugged. It rugged. No, it didn't. They legit got hacked. They fixed that before they launched Piston Token. That's why Piston Token launched today, by the way. Piston Token was supposed to launch a month ago. They took a month. They got the audit done. Let's look at their audit. I looked at this earlier. Boom. Piston Token audit report. Look who it's done by. Solidity Finance. Okay? So there you go. I like that. They took their time. These people are not interested in rugging you. I know one of them. I know the guy who developed this website. I keep saying that, but some of you aren't here for the whole live stream. If you've been here for the whole live stream, let me know in the comments, because I just repeat myself. That's what you have to do. It's like the 5 o'clock news, does the 6 o'clock news, does the 11 o'clock news. It's like the same content. Oh, I love you guys. You're so kind. JT, yeah, legit. Next week, finally, we should see drip pumping. I mean, how can drip not pump next week? If you get Forex, please have everything lined up, exact dates, come out with huge confidence, be seriously so specific, and then create a bunch of like graphics with like what we can expect in the month of April and May. You don't have to do a whole like roadmap, but just have it really clear. Then all these YouTubers will start sharing like April, May, and it'll create massive bullish news. That's what I would do. I would promote that. I'd create these infographics that look beautiful and show like the new scratch off tickets, all that. Yes, this is how you build drip. And then you launch the Discord, say coming May, and then you get YouTubers like me going, oh my gosh, communications is gonna be good. Then you show like we hired these 2 admins, show their faces, like they're gonna go into YouTube live 3 times a week. They're gonna answer all your Q&A questions. Oh my gosh, if you do this crap, Forex, it's gonna be huge for the community. I want it to be huge for the community. Please do this crap. It's so easy. I'll help you. Just reach out to me. All right. I'd highly recommend changing your channel and brand. Thank you. Look at the poll, guys. It's 50-50. 26 votes, 50-50. This shows you America is divided. We're divided. What is the name of my channel, guys? JT, you've been here all day, bro. You've heard me ramble. I'm sorry, bro. You should go. Go. Have a cup of coffee on me. He should listen your advice. Well, Matteo, I'm a nothing burger to him. To anybody. I'm just some stupid YouTuber. But I have brought them a lot of TVL. Let's just be real. I mean, but if he listens to my advice, great. If not, that's fine. Because eventually I'm going to get so frustrated, I'll probably just do my own project. I have devs that want to work with me, believe it or not. So it's up to me on whether, but I'm not going to do it till it's freaking awesome. I'm talking with a guy right now. Look, there's 63 people watching this. Nobody's going to watch this whole live stream. So this alpha is for you guys. I'm talking to a really, really good developer right now. I actually talked to him last night. I said, bro, what happened to Splassive? Unacceptable. I will not launch a project like that. We have to do it right. We'll see. Whether or not I launch this project in the coming months, I don't know. It has to be good. It has to be legit. Or else I'll just, why? I don't need the ego boost. Like, this is my own project. I'll invest in everybody else's projects. I'm here to make some money like you are. But if we keep getting rugged and stupid exploits, then I'll just say, hey, we're going to create our own little project. Maybe one of the projects that I develop, part of the dev money, the fee, like these guys are taking 3%. It'll go into like an insurance pool that just gobbles up BUSD. And then if anything ever happened to an exploit or whatever, that BUSD bank would be divided equally amongst all wallet addresses so that at least people would get something. It's a way of creating insurance. That idea needs to be worked out, but like, this is the crap that like I come up with that no one else is doing, but I need the right team. So I'm talking with a guy. We'll see. I don't know. Because it's a lot of time and energy and effort, and I don't know whether it's worth it. So maybe I'll launch something one day. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. You'll be the first to hear about it. If I do. Whitelist when? I know, that's the thing, is like everybody's like, Jonathan, you launch a project, bro, I'm in. I had a guy reach out to me. He's like, Jonathan, I have $500,000. Where should I put it? What if I was like, hey, bro, I have a project coming out. I could use that liquidity. Cool. I like you. I trust you. Let's do it. Like, that's one guy. But whatever. Panic seller DAO. I think the tokenomics would have worked wonderfully for Monopoly. We're not going to use that name in this chat. Bro, your Forex My diamond team and Forex comparison in yesterday's video was just plain wrong. The whole reason Animal Farm is paused is because it was exploited as well. So it's not true. Yep. Exploits, I guess, happen. And that is true. Piggy Bank was definitely exploited right upon launch. The Piggy Bank was not a successful launch. It is what it is. But you know what, Forex? He's the kind of guy that you pay for to do your audits. All right? He is solidity wrapped up in one man. So it's sad that that wasn't foreseen. And I think he learned his lesson. Don't do stupid countdown clocks. Don't be like, here we go, guys. In 5 seconds, we're going to launch, because that's when you get bot attacked. So it is what it is. He learned his lesson. We love Forex. Thank you for all your hard work, Forex. I am not a developer, so what do I have to say? Man, are you going to be Jonathan Elusive 100th Pit Crew member? Yeah. Let's see. Did we get 100 Pit Crew member? Tex, relax. Come here. This guy ran on the road today. He decided he literally ran on the road. First time ever. I almost saw it. This poor guy. He almost got hit. I feel so bad. Okay, let's refresh the screen. Let's see if we have 100 members. Do you think we hit 100 members? We've given our whole day to this YouTube to help people, to show them, walk them through. I got rewarded because they signed up on my team, which is pretty cool. But he's ticked off because he lost his whole dad for the whole day. Boom, 101. Woo! Thank you, everybody, for joining the team. So I will alert all of you guys. This goes to the end of the week. And I'm going to pick a random winner or winners. Depends how big we get this. And do the giveaway. This is what I got going on for you that are just joining. There you go. That's the thing we're doing right now. So read it and weep. Still love your channel though, man. Just keeping you on. Divine Hood, what did I say that wasn't honest? Go ahead, respond. Like, what did I say that wasn't honest? Just got to accept that no project in DeFi will be perfect. Exactly. That's why we use risk capital. Amen, brother. Hi, Jonathan. Just signed under your pit crew to support all your work. See? Giuseppe. Do you see what he said? He said, I supported, because of your work, I support you by using you as a pit crew member, pit crew leader. He's not like when airdrop. I hate when airdrop people. So annoying. Can you imagine having a Telegram of over 3,000 people and a YouTube channel of over 11,000? You know how many times I get asked about airdrops? It's awesome. It's the best part of my job. So thank you, Giuseppe. I appreciate that. Haha, for a hot second, I thought Texas Bank was a swash around the pancake swap. Makes you go to the trade. Pancakes makes you go to the... Yeah, don't buy Piston on pancake swap. Buy it from the sites to avoid any fee. Do you wonder who I'm talking to at times, Tex? In yesterday's video, he said Forex was better than my diamond team and Splassive because it hasn't been exploited. Clearly it was. Oh. That Forex was better. No. I said Forex is the type of guy that like Solidity would hire to do the audits. Because Splassive, Bitcoin Brown, as far as my understanding is, he outsources a lot of the development side of things. So that's what I mean by like clearly Forex is a better developer than the people that they hired for. I don't want to throw Splassive under the bus because I know a lot of you got burnt. That sucks. So we don't need to say which dev is better. It is what it is. But if Divine Hood, it makes you feel better, maybe I could have been clear on that video. So thank you for bringing that to my attention. Forex is a developer's developer. That's the best way to put it. When you understand that, that's what will make you bullish about Drip and Animal Farm above the other guys. In my opinion. I could be wrong. Remember, like Piston Token is a freaking clone of what? Of what Forex created with Bank Teller, starting in Flow, moving into Drip. So that's what I mean. He's the developer's developer. He's the Tesla creating the best electric vehicle. And then there's a bunch of other copycats, like GM is like trying to keep up, Ford's keeping up, but they haven't been able to create the Tesla. They can create electric cars, but it's not a Tesla. Everybody wants the Tesla. That's my illustration. Splassive is in hibernation mode, my understanding. I think they're going to relaunch probably a V2. That would be my prediction. So, which again, that could be an opportunity to jump in. Who knows? The developer is in our, he came in last night. If you saw my video on Splassive, the guy is super transparent, answering questions. So if you want, go into my Telegram group. You might see him there. Thank you for your leadership. Thank you. You're welcome. All right, guys. Is there anything else? Real quick, just to recover. I'm not going to cover anything new. So if you need to go, I would just go now. I'm just going to walk through to all the newbies who just joined on exactly what happened today. So this is my Piston Token, piston-token.com. This is where your journey begins. You take your BUSD, which is a stable coin, pegged to the US dollar. You take that and you transfer it to Piston. All right, free. Then you go to the race tab and you deposit some of your money, however much you want to deposit. You're going to have Piston Token already if you've swapped it. So you're going to click deposit. If you want to buy, go right here. So you deposit right here. You'll use my buddy address, which is in the link of the description, or use somebody else's. Then right here, you will now be entered the race. That means your journey making 1% in per day has begun. So you'll make 1% of whatever this right here is, 1% in Piston Token. Then every day you can come here and click Nitro, which means to recompound, or you can claim it and do with it whatever you want. You'll claim it, you'll get your Piston Token, and then you can swap it out right back here. Look, now you can swap out your Piston Token for BUSD if you want to do that. There will be a 10% sell tax, so be aware of that. The current price of Piston Token is right here. You can follow this at deckscreener.com. You can add it to your favorites, and you can follow along what the price will do. You can see we launched, we had the massive hype, we have a little dump, and then a little bit of recovery, and we'll see what the price is. Most of us are playing a long game, great. So this is how you play one side of the fence. The second side of the fence is over here. It's my Diamond Team. Link is in the description if you want to join. What this protocol does, same thing, pays you 1.5% daily return in BNB, up to 365%. So you can get 2.5% total on your money if you per day, all right, per day. Elephant pays you 0.56% in the perpetual bond. This is 2.5, but Elephant pays you in a stable coin. This pays you in BNB, which I think is better than a stable coin, to be honest. And this is more volatile. Piston Token is more volatile than a stable coin. So you're getting paid out in Piston. So the only reason you want to do this is if you believe Piston Token is actually going to have some shelf life. Because imagine getting paid out on Piston and the thing is worth like 5 cents. It's stupid. So this is a clone of Drip. Drip is the same type of thing. You get paid 1% per day. Whatever you put in the deposit, in the faucet, it's gone. Whatever you put in the race, it's gone. It's locked up. I shouldn't say it's gone. It's locked up. And the way you get it back is 1% payouts every day. You can 5x your money if you keep compounding. All right. If you want to build a team, because if you build a team, you get 5% of that person's referral bonus. Then you come down here and you copy your referral code. And then you can view your team right here. You can see I have 101 people who have signed up, and I've leveled up to 4 levels. You really only need about 2 downlines. So you're going to want to add some Piston here if you want to build a team. Not everybody's going to want to build a team. You don't have to build a team. Then you can visualize all your members right here. Now I can zoom in, boom. This is what it looks like. These are all the people that joined my team today. And this is what I earned. I earned 333 Piston. Out of this, I'm going to do a contest. I've already announced it. This week, I'm giving away 10 spots to my premium Discord. If you've donated 2,000, you just got to message me on Telegram. First 10 win. I'm also going to give away $500 this week. It ends April 10th. So, and then I'll do some airdrops throughout the year as we get going. So that's it. So if you would like to join, great. All the links are in the description. For me, I'm paying this side of the fence. I'm paying this side of the fence. Whatever I make here, I withdraw or I reinvest. If some days I want to withdraw, I'll come over here. I'll buy some elephant or I'll buy some trunk. And now I'm diversified. Now that's 3 touch points in DeFi, just using this system. And then I've got my big babies working over here for me, Drip and Animal Farm. That's what I'm doing. I'm staying away from like a lot of crap coins. I was looking at this NFT. If you haven't heard about this, I mean, this is just free press for them, but I don't even own one of these. I wish I could, but the floor price is 6 ETH. It's super expensive, but oh, it went down a little bit. Okay, so yeah, we'll see. This is what it's done. Gary Vee owns a couple of these. They're doing partnerships with Damon John from Shark Tank. Anyways, not the NFT channel. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here. Congrats on passing 1K deposits in drip tokens. Yeah, thanks, Greg. That happened today, and I've been rehydrating pretty much all week. You should get some Duck Network. Yes, guys. You know who turned me on to Duck Network? This guy turned me on to Duck Network. Murdoch, DeFi. Shout out. Oh my gosh. This guy covers every project known to mankind. Most of them are all crap. No offense to him. He's just covering a bunch of stuff. This is his type of thing. Splassive, huge event, huge event coming up, so a lot of these. So I found out about this Duck Network from him and I put $1,000 at it. And a lot of these rug pull. And the way they rug pull is they don't let you deposit. So you can see I have 1,010 duck that I could claim. But why would I claim them when they're worth nothing? And then you come here to sell them and they won't let you sell. So all of these BUSD I don't know. There's all sorts of these crappy projects that I just won't cover because I know you're just going to get wrecked. All of these suck. So I don't cover every project on purpose, guys. I don't want everybody to buy into crap projects. By the way, hit me up if you have questions about FB Autopilot. This is my company. You can watch this video. I help people make passive income by selling on Facebook Marketplace. So we have a team that will find products, list the products, fulfill sales, deal with customer service. And it's just one added passive income stream for your portfolio to have exposure to ECOM. It's $7,000 for us to manage a store for you. But you don't have to do anything. It's a done for you service. So you get access to my whole team to work for you. Okay. Thank goodness I invested 500. You're 350 days from 27.4 drip. Wait, 350 days out. Really? So that's interesting. I have a question about Animal Farm. I'm in drip. Do I need a different buddy for Animal Farm? You can't do anything with Animal Farm right now. So referrals are right here. You copy your referral link. I have it in my description. And as long as you click my link and you're new to Animal Farm, then I think I get credit. I don't even know what referral account 132 means. I don't know what 132 BNB, 132 BSD, 132 people, what. I don't even know. So I don't really worry a lot about Animal Farm referrals. The last couple of weeks it hasn't done anything anyways, but all my links for referrals are always in the description. You guys are kind to use it. Thank you. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you to everyone who's watching. I think that should do it. That was the longest live stream of my life, but today was an important day. Congrats to the Piston team. You had a successful launch. Things are stabilizing. We'll see. How long is this thing going to go? I don't know. Thank you to everybody for using me as a buddy. I will hit you up in Telegram if you win. But you don't have to message me if you became if you used my code for Piston Team, you don't have to message me on Telegram because the interface shows me who is on my team. So I'm going to pick a random winner or winners, and we'll do that when the competition ends at the end of this week. All right, guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe to this channel for more content coming out, and we will see you guys